mania mamreni niema mo de guna kwamansa na ebia mabomode etimi arenam nyina no yeronto to no etimi ramtine no akokɔ no mu anapene se natabu anase po no giza na bia gede aboso ho a ewoti ase na wo ye be ma so tinimfo a obomode nya NS ointment na ebe na aboa mana fupukapuka pa na oba anfio ne ma nko yare pasa wa fakakra bom na fefa so ebe boa be echi ebe de na ya kono na ntoto no akoyere amomo na de awake natural capsules no abayere ma mane mema nyina eboa man kwabo no ahode sonko a emane ma de di permanent where me won pamu o prostate niama enkoye afi so kra no odwonso bre untimi ndidi inam ya ye dunyo babo so me so obunsa na e ka wodwe a dia awake natural capsules ni bia na bere na mejana so na ne ma koye pa amame o ma akwara no for intimi anumbi pemfo intimi numbi unya numfie dumie no a untimi numbi fa number no 0245 079915 0245 079915 na 0276 537 701 0276 537 701 Odwani HMO Pharmacy Heba Shobia ye boana ne ma de di so ama Lucas Travel Consult Semenka enfantro se amanonen komono ababa bi ram na de ma ne denie obeso ram Canada USA UK France Greece Germany Netherlands and Australia say school na okọ ye beboaje scholarship de ama akwa akotran ye adwuma ye beboana ne ma koyie pa etimi e de ama no mo de no uniska cra fre na ne omu ni nkomo oni omu didi di nkomo e beboana hyehyɛ no akoyi etimi de ama bibia ba no na waba betwa sika wajo passport otidon ona wokɔ no se ne passport na pebe certificate na azebo no eye bank statement na pɛ ni nyina bre na yetimi aboa enti fana man na ne omon kasa 0534 543 210 0534 543 210 Tamagov City unyo omon aboa man ma dadie da ma ezikroria ma wo ye marketing manager sales personnel receptionist and azebo no wo ye administrator na shop attendant house help no any accountant ye pebi mo ene o mabo se adwuma no na ne ma deda ye kama so no etimiera ma game park limited semenka enfantro se na ye de pick one naba na simple cra ni nyina mu ni ze no bomode apeke from 1 to 36 na mun komo no de man ye de so my favorite number no wayi utwa no 1 Ghana cedi de ko ekokura 350 Ghana cedi a oreni aya Thompson 26 na de amount no esika twitwi die pa enti from 1 to 36 no wa hwe mayi number ba ko Pokra www.gameparkgames.com www.gameparkgames.com where Ramuna Abwa Nanema de Diada Mana network via Subiano Obeda star 946 star 946 she Ramu e banesa mabo modena dia guso ene la jo ma tumonye du fiedu watwenko a o qualify so no odun ube shemni ahwani Abwa Nanema de Diada manto ma daroma mamrenko mema na ba ye Ramu nemreni ho na afia manone nkomo ento aso etimi enfama mo
right Brenna Sunano na ye be breaking it down na ya touching it down na ya knocking it down na nyadaja jeja mu yompo na no pai e full time dwumadie no so na me ansha se free NBA preseason no egusu a ashas ye na matches a do gusu a totwa na akopia mu atima ye fa New York Knicks etmitena fie and Boston Celtics and the pem so na e bano na Brentia ye fa Emmanuel quickly etmia bo New York Knicks for amomatima winning na so Koye Echo Boy Boston Celtics are 114 against 107 and your results are a team to dread through as Eddie Broadness on first NBA preseason season or my team and your opener win. I'm a Biasoya fine and no Ediaba ye jam Edamau and watch Oklahoma City Nessa Oklahoma City tender for no as to et me at to San Antonio Spurs and Omukoboye a Benes San Antonio Spurs as Martin Fie, ama a city tender, Oklahoma for at me up 122 against 121, and your results a total, and watch Lakers as what Mitanaho, and Brooklyn Net and a Shire, a Banabia, Nessa LA Lakers at me at the swap Brooklyn Net 129 against 126, and your results are a total Brented Dangelo Russell at me up Kama at the Lakers Simono. Pemo T-Mobile Arena, Las Vegas, and Obutumadin against Brooklyn Net, a Timotodra, Nano Pemno Casatima, Yavamo Dallas Mavericks, and now touch it down on Madrid. na pem Olivier Giroud and na otimi bwaduma we go power di tum na no paya na esewani ense wo ka kire eno edeba ye jejamu na no pai eso edema wo dwumade no so ye guso etinkonwa so e breaking no down e touching no down e jejamu diama wo Sompa 93.1 FM so live on Sompa TV and some pinaba na ukoroma yamfanto anem SLPM o St George's Parker. What are the three lions in almost ewo na anopai omu ye training na mianhwe amule mianhwe not mega brante reverend Jude Bellingham etimi abo omu ye training na kwa Jude Bellingham hey Jude damu jata ekwa akoda no efa so ball obi esulia obon amule no na sa anu odene efe eno edeba na obeka enchae ena Premier League game todwa na Tottenham Hotspur and Liverpool na sa game Liverpool player Luis Diaz go na go na chino ben sempi refro ginam disallow go no ukopemo VAR mo panyere jogging club edbe tutwa SSA game na say Ankara play to me ba na ukopemo St George's but England players no omu training no na player friend James Maddison and Trent Alexander-Arnold on some Maddison Bodman Tottenham and Reverend Trent Alexander-Arnold or Bo Edman Liverpool or Machia and Womu and a Trent Alexander-Arnold added to James Maddison. Nkwane tubo but when target transfer ni pia obepem ese obe reinforce wo obe say obi ede abababua ama bia so ye kama na kopima Guido Rodriguez and now say indeed omo so far pivot players Deco etma swalest womo no edeba ye jam edamo na ye ramo ra ye friend Negrera ubaka ni case ni de buy ni akapedia chiro or no enamrebe tram na PM Spanish Referees Association no a deputy chairman na Barcelona Cotresi kabi best 7.5 million euros edmano akwensem PM accord timi accuse Barcelona of a bribery na anopai o Reverend Negrera and the yes OPM as well Institute of Legal Medicine and Forensic Sciences na omako examino na omatimi ahwe se oya fita obetimi qualify as obetimi testify Negrera case no obabo omatimi aye case no nduma na owura do entrance wa na otehwe na wadika kwotahwe entrance na se wonya Spanish Football Federation president near Luis Rubiales Equakisi Ababa Emasa infamous kiss and some Pinaba now Papa Wano statement become prosecutors for an investigation about the incident and at the Tennessee Adenaliki Ama Jenny Hemoso at the Akoshem as I kiss the Todano on opinion Luis Rubiales when in any common one way and watching us at Deno and you quasi sinin quasom protect just I was some protecting on and watching Jenny Moso as I did to da as I Felisa Omo respecting on one puno and a papania sadiano as for Edimano and no Edeba ye Jejamu as for myself famous kiss no unsem kwededwa enu ye statement Hemoso de come court no enya dajajam aso edama na premier Spanish Football Federation omo national team no enu ye Spain national team omo come na kweda no 16 years was say record out the youngest player to play La Liga, the youngest player to score in La Liga, the youngest player to score in Champions League, the youngest player to play for Spain national team, the youngest player to score for Spain national team Lamine Yamal akoda no mo frɛ no nanso ene o say return ya be piem wo Barcelona ne nyina ne so ko piem Yamal game of Barcelona ne Granada boy no ko prae enu nti akoda no so far was say back na dem say so far 2 games what bo Edema Spain national team no say ne okwan wo pra no back na kyeresa akoda no say we eligible as obetuma bo at amatima and o me friend Morocco na say Barca Morocco ni din komoye as Lamine Yamal upon so Bodiama Spain just 2 games no or person about Bodmo Morocco or Betman Bababo as so at the Amawomo and no at the Dawa ye jam Edema me Premo Real Madrid Omni Arsenal and Manchester United at the bumpy papa at the Benfica 19-year-old midfielder be ye very sure nervous omunyina somo peno o makacho Vero scout as someone scout to Akwadano and no at the no Premo 5 major European leagues open player so far what created most chances and you Fedi Favade and that may creating most chances open play and no 22 and what me and no Debana Guti former Real Madrid player or the two said Jude Bellingham were unique player now Kodani player or Papa very incredible and what Madrid players no or mo pa Kodana sem or Ben what me justify as a Madrid no pay now was what me ba and you good in somebody to da so far 9 games and 12 games Jude Bellingham upon when not man of the match and Makumako and Kono and Jude Bellingham as what man out of 12 games what 9 man of the match awards and what winner and no Edeba young Pemo Real Madrid omni BMW Canon omni company no our sponsorship deal na sub partnership agreement no every year BMW omucha Madrid players no omucha omuka na film patro most expensive cars and Madrid team no na players no okopema a model players issue no e be a BMW i4 M50 e be a BMW XM e be a BMW i4 e-drive 35 e be a BMW iX M60 and a BMW iX drive 5 and no air sofa models omutamo na ultra players na canon the electric charger cars a BMW electric charger and Madrid players na some players na chargers makuma kutu obianfa charger ba kuntu ni fie no va ba kunkoto vadebe bas o kan wo fie na se e wo se wo charge na wo charge o kodu vadebe bas na wo se charge na wo charge na no atu kope players o mo Madrid o expensive cars no e Courtois e Kepa Arrizabalaga e Nacho Cavayan, Bellingham, Modric, Ceballos, Ada Gula, Rodrigo, Joselu, and more enemy expensive BMW cars. Na cars from here no bottom, between 140,000 euros and 180,000 euros. And a Madrid players no, or mutimi a year, and no idea Panama to Toma. Ye pay players no piano in a car, or piano in a car home, or finish your Junior Rodrigo, or Muchamu BMW cars one. Na F Papa, a Demilitao no Courtois, a Genoma ho Lucas Vasquez wo charging it there na o gina ho amabia asu etima aye fanfan eno edeba Real Madrid almost reschedule formal ceremony for Vinicius Junior kan na da so no Denis Ceballos wo charge in a car and a da so no charge no ya mo bia to where Jude Bellingham ni BMW anopa ya omo de manansa no ko international duty no and wo gina no Ricardo Facas no toto so no bia hwe we kwoto mo a omo gina omo de ho kama ama bia so e fanfan eno e de dawa ye jeje mo e de mo Madrid on players no BMW car so manya no we de Don Carlo Ancelotti ni dia ono so anya ene ye de ama ona no pai we adagula ono so anya ne dia o gina ho kama eno e de ba na no am de tuanim esa koda na ye fan Vinicius Junior ne contract renewal e was ceremony in Cabasso last week na Owura Florentino Perez wanya COVID-19 almost just was testing negative and San Vinicius Junior ne announcement no almost my ceremony as what the amana be pay official and no edeba na mani jana ye fan Marcelo Gallardo and upon the 20 so was sending a signal comma Sevilla as said man was turning it down na in the year but 2022 by 2023 a year so far 11 months in here a team sin kwa watan wo down no o kope bi tsama se o say Ayas e bi tse Lyon Sasso Leeds United Flamengo and e tse Sevilla o mu nyina ba Marcelo Gallardo wetima tan wo down eno edeba ye jeja mu edama mo asu e wo dwumadie no so ye gusu ati nkonya so e break no down e touch no down e jeja mu yompo asu de ma opem wo Napoli a yes deliberately o mu etimi e ya ade bia enya na sa deliberately ade no mo ye no ni nyansana no e Serie game omni e Fiorentina e boy no e wo se e Serie A no anthem before game bi omo se wan prema anthem na mo ni nyina no se owura fan e Di Laurentiis when Napoli president and am prema Napoli amosa anthem no yes opeso sesa anthem no diamete esem panyimfo e twan ese ombetimi disciplinary decisions akoma Napoli team no na Napoli diamete omo dwene ho ese eba e Supercoppa Italiana fana fono mbabo no Riyadh no Napoli peso mo twa mo ho asu edi film eno ede ba ye de amamo na Napoli omo amo panyina ye fan Rudi Garcia omo coach no omo man just 2 games when tuma wini pa omo ebe pam no de amete enro meeting bi etimi koso on Naples but bia e Napoli team ko mo e hotel omo ko mo camp no ni nyina no se omo ni Rudi Garcia ene Di Laurentiis ene mpanyimfo ni hia omo so ni Antonio Conte akasa se Rudi Garcia entuma nya adwuma ni ye 2 games no but we need prom de Antonio Conte ene beba amna be ye adwuma edamo mo eno edeba good news some ties delayed wababaka washa se all running esuduma bamunchi bobo ekono opemo zabra strapza eho ena bamunchi training owura no esotwa se otutumrika we training kakrakra eno edeba ye jam edama mo nano pai esu ewo dwumadie no so ebrane ekọ na ensam no eso tawo dewa Eden Hazard ye di wie Eden Hazard official announcement about except wa retire at the age of 32 wa retire from football na me patro ni message ni was say you must listen to yourself and say stop at the right time after 16 years and more than 700 matches played I have decided to end my career as a professional footballer. I was able to realize my dream. I have played and had a fun on many pitches around the world and no and some other to draw yeah demanti Eden Hazard at the age of 32 what in a summer so at me matches there or more than 700 matches 14 trophies and ultimately and no idea dawa ya demam yina so sama do ya bobo no na no pay no ya breaking the down touching it down ya fancy ewa ha
wahwese wakosho akodi dwa hodo basket ma emu provisions ene nyoma hodo ehia opa we delay musa edru so na ukotua nso a yaka kire wo se untimi nchante me chance number na so ya keke na mom o de Vodafone cash dia uni how cry yaka ko bia say dia untimi de Vodafone cash etua merchant bia or what network bia so straight direct sharp enti say water provisions fuel inro inuane me kire say bia opese wo ye bia no Vodafone cash amana ye mremremra ma o hia obeya de say obedale star 110 hash na tua ka merchant bia ho e wo network bia so enia Vodafone.
Play now Landio, Ghana's #1 casino game. Aviator Al Landio Betway Airport. Betway, for the love of the game. Bet the responsible way. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Terms and conditions apply.
The first days of Bigger Odds has concluded. Now that you're settled into the new season, you still have the chance to win. Bigger Odds this season, and you can walk away with a grand prize of 250,000 cedis in cash, plus amazing weekly free bet prizes. Enter today. Visit betway.com.gh for more information. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Terms and conditions apply. Betway, for the love of the game.
The eagerly anticipated Pick 1 game has arrived with a bang. Choose your favorite number from 1 to 36. Stake and get ready for the excitement as we unveil the lucky number. Prepare yourself to unleash even more moolah by staking from 1 Ghana cedi to 350 cedis and win 26 times your stake on the amazing Pick 1 game. Play by dialing *946# on all networks. You can also play via our website or download the Game Park app on www.gameparkgames.com. Watch our live draws on Adom TV at 9 a.m., 12 p.m. and 6 p.m. daily. Game Park, more moolah, more power. This game is regulated by the National Lottery Authority, not for persons under 18 years. Play responsibly.
Bra na minya Royal Foam mattress no. O how bebre na me komu. Medam panosweni na atom. Na mechi kase so na me honam nyina ya meya. Na de kume kra ne se. Ya no nso beda aso ape. Na wagya me. Na minya Royal Foam mattress no. Pa kwesi da aso ape. E na oye me ho ade. Congratulations dear, me fa no kwa. Asedan koma Royal Foam. Quality mattress papa fi. Oji aware Royal Foam. What manani relaxation aye de. Anwoto so a wunya wo mu ne se. Royal Foam mattress eye papa. Eche yie eye quilted mattress inti. Woda so a ama wona ye foam. Se woto mattress free Royal Foam a. Seche wo free pillows. Royal Foam aje abasobode e wo 12 Ghana Business and Financial Excellence Awards no mu. Yet on quality duvets, curtains, beds, ne carpentry foams ahodo nyina bi. Hwehwe yen wo Royal Foam showrooms any sales depots a wo Ghana fana nyina. Fre 020-227-1000. Royal Foam, rest assured.
Yaba Sompa Achedie 2023 Bible say Nyame Sompa pani say ubi ko nyanka ene erisia mob enuti na Sompa 93.1 Kumase Sompa 90.7 Enkransa Sompa 98.9 Sunyane yakabom se bronyen yebema enisia ene ekranfo edidi na yenko ayetimi age se wo beboa yen enti se yesika fatu ahomatrofo iso 0598-559802 meeting biem 0598-559802 edin waso yetara 1 media na November bosome no ne de edikan na ye chro ekrafo ni din enti sa won kransa na wo ye krani a kotro udin e wo Sompa enkransa GCB edan mu ho a wo sunyane so a kotro udin e wo Sompa sunyane night market ho a na Kumase de ekrafo nyina ba be tro wo no din e wo so am ye ni Nrom hotel de anu hye e ye busumi du ba kono ne de edikan na dwumadie no ankasa de bronya bosome ne de toso aduonu ba ko ne beboja trada na de amode tom ye no ye de ama ekrafo yi
wo de bibi wo 1 million what about akoko na de abomo no so ene anwane sadi si no so Nyame nhyira mo pa moya ade pa
na yesika na yentoma so a wobetimi de aba afenso sey niema bi ense ye ti se mo ene yanwan so a yebeji mo a mo ye bi afi etwa mo no emu adanse de mo a mo nim Sompa achede 2023 ebusuafo yamfa ye ho hyem na propose prempa obuadu ponko mu ye nyankopon obeyiye wiye Sompa achede 2023 ekunafo ene enyanka ne so wo mu bedidi 90.7 adehye said ye beni nyina ye benyanti ase e wo soma hodo a ye wo muniti Sompa 90.7 ya hyehyɛ dwumadi a yato ne din sɛ ugidie ne sen ye ne asofo imamfo nananom ye besi nkonya na topics bia akwa ne unchi nyi wahyewa yaji nwachinye no obia de gidie aba abeboa ebi ni sɛ aware dodoɔ esubo ensanom awusesie ani bebre a ekeka ho saa dwumadie ubetie bi was Sompa Sunyane 98.9 Sompa Kumase 93.1 Sompa Nkransa 90.7 any Sompa TV kwasia da bia enwumre no nson kopema enwumre no nkron kwasia da bia ubesia me ohinini amakrancha dazo a sofma mi premeni ye ne abedwafo na ye nyina ye suade ugidie ne sen migidie ne sen ye nyina ye gidie baako.
Alright, I'm Bomodina, Yetimi, Sato, so come pray to me, Famana, Mirena, Miram Namen, and Mike, Akomia, Shasi, and Ninkom. I'm on Vodafone, Semen Can Fanchos, a month, yeah, no, the month October, Vodafone care month. Now, Munkomono, the year, Papi, and a Mabomodia Cabomanto to your Moyeno, and say, ye, Eddie, Siwa, ye, Bana, customers, or Munio Muyijmano, Yapuaman to Tiana, that in pray to me, I'm do your Vodafone customer, I said, I guess, and Famana, free, so Monsieur Modawasi, Papa, now, be bring be rum we be at say sika data airtime nya no ko almost sound surprises out na e be kwet mi ra mo customers no na yesi de hia so obo modern na my Vodafone app no tobi no na fi omo other digital channels no obo modern na wetimi use ni aboa na chede rum etimi e de amount Vodafone care month #team service Vodafone care month live digital Vodafone further together na aboa my bibia akoye pray timi e my international break in aba ye rum wo Betway on your bomb modena ye DC canu be www.betway.com.gh www.betway.com.gh na abwa na ntotieno adda di preti mera mana mun komono e ya dia e de ye papa e ba be boaran hihye na koyi soro etimi e de amana me pacho yesi ne abom ode etimi e de the golden booking code no ababa be baze na senete oroko Betway omo site wa obozi ne obibi atwe 100% krekiso so abonse code ne do me pacho enyi bi fi memfa bi nka ho odi ane so obo modi twa 1 Ghana cedi de ba eba be ram 50 Ghana na chese ne yediwa na eno so no ya bomodi edu sika no etimi asande amaoko mobile money vendor bia ona abomodi na so mo na ya twa top up na onso wa top up na wa chede bibra eni no Betway for be ram na aboma hihye no adadi ndi amade yanze wenye du mfie du otwe enle ejo mo etimi edi atum tijumade no mudi no terms and conditions ya dia ya apply no Betway bet your way now to you know and that is where from na mon fan chemize ne technical issues in bed day wish no mean me ti mame come anim na me ne akomia anye widi akomia piami tum na me said the dama piami tum mame ton cancer mame ton kada bi okay is ya de bibia de dem so opombo ko de
oh nyame adumahwe ni experience nyame adumahwe ni experience bibia
mate mame njamu ma we na family komo kaka
yes abu mame we me ankasa me nua ba ko Dominic a happy birthday moko edum pampa so Dominic Tom biscuit in toffee ni sanyo ni atosu no tie ti Dominic you wish you all the best nyame enyo kese na oma okwatenten na oma hunu de also timi achieve wa brabom na mechia Mr. Kennedy Amponsa of Kenvero International School yes and oma bi atumpa na abu ye de asototo form no and then say school one no more lunch bibi o honte na de na be tutuni akọ straight you go straight e wo kronom kwapra wisdom side on straight near tarim iti abu you moving on you discussing these particular issues about Diego Simeone Atletico de Madrid any Comadre Chile aka kiti small details no extending the contract na dodo na bebusa say Atletico de Madrid ni Diego Simeone insensem no ka coach anka watimi ache wo honom since 2011 so approximately what a decade and 2 years and the account that means 12 solid years at Atletico de Madrid Kalis confirm no crampo mrewie na onya ho na nkonko pimo ba bifufo no nkoye adwuma there were series of stories Abrana Inter Milan AP coach there were series of stories Abrana Juventus hwe so mba be replace Andri Pello dodo na gitum years se de Diego Simeone baya kanyoma betimi akoye e de ama those teams na mo results mo pese mo setimi ka no mo setimi aka but nyoma mi no Abu Dhabi Atletico Madrid chere first lesson say ade a embubu ye no yensesa no what you say ade a embubu ye no yensesa no de etosu mienu the devil you know better than the angel you don't know. Atletico Madrid chere onoma hudo bebrenti omo decided to stick with Diego Simeone in the long term. Now, in the history of Atletico de Madrid, Abu Dhabi, yamu nkomponko echi ni share in the last 2 centuries. So, in the last 2 centuries, over here in the 20th century and the 21st century mo. So, the latter part of the 20th century, which is between the years of 1987 to be 2003, 2004, 2005. And Atletico Madrid, enya papa panimu bi obedi club na nim ne friend of Jesus Gil. Na Abu Jesus Gil yo da screen you see no. Ono ne buy no movie Atletico Madrid from being a fan-owned club to a public limited company. So in Spain, in that particular kind of way no, na emma supporters no enya say a lot in a lot of decisions that goes into the club. Na papa ye other screen news no muji to me say ofa kuntu na say e make sure say obetimi accumulating 95% of the shares ayakuta club no abra wantwa 1 peso a
ordinary
na be ye it obefa team ndo obesom no de no krani nyame anim nie otoma club ne pa. So between 1987 and 2005 appointing coaches and sacking coaches na for mano obesaki Luis Aragonés, Javier Clemente, Obepamona Manefri team ni mako. Top coaches including Arrigo Sacchi. Ojo mu nyina akwan wanya de a na akopa. But back in 1990-1991, they came so close in terms of winning the La Liga title, but the only team that could stop them was Johan Cruyff's Barcelona. And they stop your moment anje. 91-92 Copa del Rey back to back. But at the end of the pioneer say after 1976-1977 no munyi league title. It is not person the omoje. So that particular part of period na kofa coach Sasaki in the buy. But he bought good players like Pablo Futeri. At a point in time, not on only Babe no a European Cup winner. Wakofa top strikers the Oma Real Madrid the Omaba. One Esnada or the Omaba be shame to the team. Still not resource in Koye. So that period now you who say Atletico Madrid edge Copa del Rey 82nd once in the league no omo relegation in 2000. So in 2000 nipo de omo relegation na Claudio Ranieri and they omo the segunda division. Now in that particular state at the club no ehu omo self in even after buying players like Juninho and Christian Vieri omo ntimi survive. It dey na ebe ye betima peda de aba. That moment na ana nyoma sorry ti aba pay say da bi club na me say call fast nya ska de be fa club na ni the city spend no afa kuntu na se it yanyini free wo omo yi ni free wo no kwampo sama performance no kwa pete. So the team came closer in qualifying for the main league in 2000-2001. But anfa ana mo ko fa Luis Aragonés de ne buy. So Luis Aragonés never sabe for a team no introduce Fernando Torres into the team. So you free Jesus Gil side no the next level of progress for Atletico de Madrid when they appointed Javier Aguirre. So on Bayer Dumano and Famomo. Now on only by episode team that was between 2006-2009. Now waba before Fernando Torres. But Oton Fernando Torres in 2007 for 38 million euros to Liverpool. And on the Kofa Diego Forlan then they buy manage about her team movie. Okofa Costina then they buy her team nimbi. It is kind of omuchi chemwa coffee for players hold on at them buy. That season now almost had Luis Garcia. Esa sube primo Atletico de Madrid. Ono sube boya be ma team stability. But at the end man dem Sunkoni say since 1996-1997 that team didn't qualify for Champions League. Ono and the team never qualify for Champions League between that period of time. But na Copa del Rey intermittently or quarter final no a film, semis no a film. He was struggling with that particular kind. But omunya abotre man because he felt say that particular moment no while lifting team ni side o to Champions League mo with time league ni je ne be dey ebeba ana ono so mo pay ne to the two baby ana mo go fa ebel e de ne buy ebel no kwampo buy no kwa de o mo qualify for another Champions League ni kran as 2009-2010 no kran that team ni set egu. So Atletico Madrid in terms of their faces of being successful no ade anu who say wu here mo pa na Champions League ne je na European Cup ne je because Copa del Rey so na so match sa ade na your main focus ne so on betimi age the league title
no na hia
and na hia o
so menya La Liga ni bi
so menya La Liga ni bi age because we are spending na Jesus go spending na La Liga okofa Javier Aguero by na La Liga you look at Kike Sanchez Flores no di omo beje European trophy since 61-62 left omo the Europa League, and the success story of that particular team no Abu Dhabi can never be underestimated. And you look at Kike Sanchez Flores ni jumedi ono subedi in that particular part of the history of Atletico de Madrid ese wani ese e kache Diego Forlan mo an esa team this year omo na so bo more than the J. So league title na Kike Sanchez Flores so open no na onya otoso 9th 10th also no muja kwama ne the man koy. Then comes their former player no a part of their team after 76-77 and no league na je no key players within the setup mo league title in not so many years no na Diego Simeone no mo se yenkone nsan ko fane bra. So Diego Simeone is a lucky charm for Atletico de Madrid in the first place. It's na di kan ka say adeni bubu ya yendichem because ade adeni bubu ni yese nipa nan kasa na yakofa no de naba no ono na yagitum yese team no tama ye wo kire se pe league title age no na odimu tintima na yetimeje they both players 96-97 ni ayekeka ho asem nyina ade be obekasa about Milenko Pantic omo de ni be PM Luboslav Penev omo nyina ba he no omo antimi aboba the key player within the team was Diego Simeone in that particular heart of the midfield. So in that particular 2010, Abraham has these particular trophies are dominating Felipe Luis, Miranda, Diego Godin, Mario Suarez, Gabi Andre Lopez, Falcao, Diego Ada Turamo. They were all part of these particular teams successful stories. Let's go to Madrid. Diego Simeone by Europa League so ababe GB. Copa del Rey so ababe dominate. Ade hu be yan plan say league so mo je omo sabeti mai de aka. Then the first league title for him as a coach. Player ono so the last person ono so team G league title de Atletico Madrid no. For so many years this was the team oba de ombeji the Champions League. The La Liga. Yeah. So you look at Courtois, Miranda, Diego Godin, the players are on more bench. He built a solid team. Courtois da post in Aranzubi and Danechi. Diego Godin, Toby Adavered. Ubenya Miranda no Jose Jimenez. Ubenya Felipe Luis ni Insua. Ubenya Juan Fernando Manquillo. In a midfield Gabi, Oliver Torres. Etiechiri. Ubenya Thiago Mario Suarez. Ubenya Ada Tura Diego. Si Rodriguez. Koke. Ubenya Raul Garcia. So Tiechiri. Here up front to the strikers in Abu Dhabi. Ana Odivia and Diego Costa and Andre Lopez. So Diego Simeone is the lucky charm of Atletico Madrid. Embreaki. So why do you have to change him? After the consensus of some supporters be omoji to me say Emrebi Drew and I was ankomutimi Jano Kwaimaneko no mo be fufroba. So you look at this particular team of Modern La Liga, then Abu Dhabi you fully understand how they also won the league in 2020-2021. Completely changed this particular setup in making sure say players are the omoji 2013-2014 and one on the omoji 2020-2021. Yeah. So what team are building two solid teams to make sure somebody beji La Liga twice in the history of Atletico Madrid in that particular kind of century. It was the year or moving on to the other munina. Now you have Jose Jimenez who was part of the 2013-2014 but not a bench player. Diego Godin or the Savage Abeshim Renal Lodi or current 3P or David here Moko Yano Black Munaba Koke So Herrera under Tura Munina free team Muko Diego Costa and Marcos Lorentimo and a Bayer Jumana de Momo G League. So he has made history for himself and it can never be underestimated. No be because of a team no can results campo say, but Abu look at the numbers. How many coaches and a bit may be a breaking the duopoly of Real Madrid and Barcelona? Eddie. Looking at your budget. O budget, yes, Eddie. So competitively, we're making Atletico de Madrid a stronger opponent for Real Madrid and Barcelona. And points per game because Oba Atletico de Madrid since December 23rd, 2011 to June 30th, 2024 was spending 4,309 days, 637 matches for him. Abu Dhabi were winning 377, were drawn 144, Elusu 116, were using 137 players. But look at this. Goals were saying no. Abu Dhabi, o share the number of goals I share per game ejina 1.69
yes
conceding ejina 0.82 points accumulated per match 2 points
then nani adi ejuma no so abeyi ejuma
Diego Simeone he's doing miracles with this particular Atletico de Madrid team against Real Madrid and Barcelona.
Do you West End enyo
Abu enyemo na dey mesreni said that ana ne ball na obo ne nyefe ana de bia team ntwa bebrebe osori ana otwa we na we pim we Abu and I can say the devil you know better than the angel you don't know. Atletico de Madrid, Buga, Takashi, and Yedin, and one am more dear drum pempen so more dear dri. Any trophies no more dear general. And Diego Simeone, one coach, may I call him the hybrid coach. He knows when to play that particular kind of haram football. And he knows when to actually dominate and dictate play. On the whole career in Abu Dhabi. Baby on City C, na kind of baby or con nam yen na de ba yen na. He played in between Italy and Spain. So from Argentina, he went to Italy. From Italy, he came to Spain. Spain was come back to Italy. So blending total football and Catanaccio football has been a key stuff for a coach Efeni Diego Simeone. Now, what we hear against Manchester City in the Champions League quarter final, they played so well. Omo pressing so well, omo kutabo so, and this is a team I know mutimba Stafford before.
Yeah.
So how does he do it? It is because baby only training free, you know. He got some from Italy, Catanaccio. He got some from Spain, total football.
Awomia Mate meda sepa man sari bodum na yento aso na mo Royal Form Ghana Limited semenka fa chose na ma bomode de Royal Form mattress na bana mattresses a ene obomode nya bi na uyusu a ma wanije odada na form pa na Royal Form mattress na mun komo na de ni nyina nze me konye me ya me chie me ya me haye me ya no ni nyina eto etimi etwa emu aden na fo to so a echeye papa atore ya masu nye pa ye de no na echo kwa beda so afa adwempade abawro pa na mani amadeda dimpa etimi ede amanti me pacho ramuna gibi omunuma panti ebo mode ama the 16th Ashanti Business Excellence Award they organize here 20th anniversary at the Motum Force to the second no ya bomode etimi amamu gold award enya no nko 12 Ghana Business and Financial Services Excellence Award no yes more award etine chezampa ejuma de omu ye bi pa omo bi eni ultra modern showroom a orwani chemo factory premises so awa so kore mampon no fiwa na ko CCC unsampa niam omoton no ne yade a ano edin ye papa ebo amane madadi impedamantine open mattress Royal Form Ghana mo mattress ni bi fanamba no bebi obi ayembro bi 0202 271,000 0202 number na funti rom na mboa na on sanke bi Royal Form rest assured madaro mamenko mikiaba na yirama gona bibi abako de
abunyami ado bebi ayekama
fami form kakre
the Jenny Hermoso Rubiales case no there is a new chapter case in there impenifogusu omoye ohwehwemu ye de omobeye bia but for the media it has gone silent for a while.
Oh, okay.
Now CCA fresh one abetum
bizia
Yankaka what is a Jenny Hermoso Luis Rubiales case? Spain AJ Emmanuel World Cup new year no ana omo medals anyway on the stage and then RFEF Royal Spanish Football Federation President Ora Luis Rubiales ono hage Jenny Hermoso and okay say no. Now in the aftermath of that incident Edinsembe Brediaba and it has even led to a sexual assault case Yayedia Luis Rubiales. Eventually FIFA suspended no and on one case himself on to us non Spanish football president Bion the Equasino no. But as investigations continue, it means that parties to the case was here obia no asem. So on August 28th, the Spanish prosecutor, according to the Attorney General's Department, almost 30 case detia Luis Rubiales. Now was Jenny Hermoso ever testify. Now over 15 days to do it. Per me checks Mayeno. She did testify on Tuesday, September 5. God being so good. Yensaka ni video or testify ni bi. But ne kasa ni ina na Spanish. Nti ye betchrim kakra na afedi aka no. Ye hu se ni ebesi akọ. But before we get there, let's start with Hifana in PA, Telechinko. Telechinko, a media outlet. Omo part of a sport media set pro no. Omo Kahubi. In Tiafan saying KB Tarawa Media. There was Sompa TV, Sompa FM, Kumasi, Sompa Sunyane. So a branch of sports media set, no. Omo Telechinko, Ana Ababe Kahua, ISR. Now Telechinko no program bia omo feno Codigo DS. Codigo DS no in English and one code 10. Spain for 10 DS. Code ne Codigo. So Codigo DS program and omo be sa a revelations no. Enti on toso na Andra was an explosive show. Omo yen for 1 hour. Oma kofa an expert in communication, a verbal communication. So obi ka asemo a obi otimi chirechire mu ye mayetimi hu ni trimu po. Ono jina ho no ba no ye fe no Paloma Ramon.
Oze Paloma Ramon. Oh, okay.
Ono na ebe chirechirem kwai ahani ye mo so si kan nsem no. Na ye hu se aha no ebi ode bi ka ho ana wan fa bia. So it was a full show. The whole of Spain obi etuni in. Normally say Telechinko for ne yes Codigo DS program na. On the average omunya viewership of bare 795,000. And no viewership no ekodru 4,646,000 and a kakrebi count.
That's obiere.
Exactly. And that's expose aba. Na gan obiere train. The time this one na
obiere.
Obiere TV ho hwe. Enti enra no omunya viewership pa. Now on the evidence of said the American a woman name no. Yentie voice of Henny Emoso kakra bro kopie mu ewo eye prosecutor and officer or giving a testimony we are the akane the best so.
Presidente Luis Rubiales no fue consentido.
Ni yo me lo hubiera esperado, ni cualquier jugadora se lo hubiera esperado que en ese momento de celebración pasara algo así. O sea, que al final yo me siento con ellas, ya llega la entrega de trofeos y intento como desconectar del momento y disfrutar de lo que estábamos viviendo.
¿En algún momento fue consentido ese beso?
No.
¿Se sintió violentada o violada por ese acto?
Sí, o sea, claramente no, me sentí no respetada. O sea, en ese momento no se me respetó en ningún momento, ni como jugadora ni como persona. El autobús se hace un silencio mortal y me empiezan a decir desde delante que baje rápido, que tienes que bajar, que tienes que bajar. Bajé, me enseñaron un escrito que yo no dije ni una palabra de ese escrito. Tenemos que poner esto porque se está liando mucho y tenemos que quitarle hierro al asunto. Y yo ahí dije, ¿pero por qué tengo que hacer esto? Y dije, pues hacer lo que queráis o hacer.
Eti obana otene kasa omuni ye Jenny Hermoso na oma eye ne testimony de akokọ so obo nyoma bebre so enye ono nkwa na call one ne lawyer ana eye nipa omo testify the man ono na lieutenant prosecutor ewo the National Court of Spain or sans who Attorney General's office ewo Spain even Marta Durantes enti Marta Durantes na edge ne numa sem no September 5 no call no afei na Spain media na ko rere mo manya sa leak no sa leak no Telechinko for ne nsa omonsa kan first ensemble na head Emoso kan first one or say the moment of the kiss ono be hage Luis Rubiales o hage no ana okache ne so ya de then ono so hage ni biun de ohun ya ne say Luis Rubiales no wetu abam no as we huri aso ni musa o si ni yem she ne kakra but stage so ontimi nyaade bia awkward I am fan say begu penyin ani ma say the next ne say papa na so ni ti no afena no yes so ono no nyaade a o ma papa no kwan so obetimi afena no so it wasn't consensual to say the REF no RFEF no person mo portray eno ye baako also owie no sane ye no ko ka che ni teammate me no Alexia Putea se na Irene o ka che o say hey na unim say Rubiales no afema no de na almost so see omo catch and say Alexia bisa say what are you saying and I say yes a very strong kiss no catch Alexia no omo ko dressing room no na fe the issue no ya gain traction with social media pictures anyway so RFE for ni be hu say ade na hwa e be harding there will be a backlash into the sports director of the RFEF no or by dressing room no be free no which I have come here to show a video say timer Henny Emoso moye Instagram live no no be friend say omra no muni nkoma na ebema. That is a sports director. To a friend no mokoye no catch and say kids no way they will want to kill off the matter even before it escalates. Before say bet tija no mo pese omukuma sem ne krenti. E dia no me na almost on say ono de oni bibi obeye because mo na mokokoye ma de. So eba think of a way to go about it. But ono opeso omo ya we no onfo so. This according to her testimony. Enti didimu and the omo fa plane no omo movie to Doha Qatar. Plane ni so there was an incident say omo approaching. Say they should find something to do about it. Even po Omoma Jorge Vilda, the former Spain, Omoma coach no the Omoje World Cup no. One Henny Amoso ebusiafo di nkomo. Okofre Henny Amoso ni nua bema. Say Charlie the senior na only nua ba ne nkasa so betimi ama case na ya killing off. Then Rubiales so be cash and say ne mami enu te plane ni momusu because omo so omo papa hwa na ho be che no. Ntonya nkonfa ni nto nkoda na nim. Omo ye maba mbaiwa na onko ono so ma medi now say still wanye. Njoso omo bedru Doha no na afedi omo kofo bus. Inti bus no omo timu a omo ba na yese bus ni nyina. Jenny omo so si form ba ya. Spain omo RFEF omo public relations kebi agana ha nka area asante twum. Why statement no wa trust here. No say Henny Amoso no share statement na on sign it. Send the no say Debbie. The omo pesa moye no mo de omonye but ono there she will not consent to anything. In his statement being a bad one thing say Henny Amoso say excuse me to say a nonsense kids ne de omo ye ho no. Also ono nim ho hwe okika ni na. Even went as far as to omoko Ibiza so omoko Giomani and name moons and semi course so or the person Chima said she was harassed and she felt embarrassed at a point in time or break it down and no soon ye. Omoje ne teammate me and Sasso Numasem, Alexia Puteas and a can wire in a count and the best friend back also count. Omojo Menumasem concerning this matter. A Koyama Abet Luke or a former Spain player. Or no so crowd bemu.
Luki.
Yeah, Luki ye obia why favor said the Amaheni most into Omoko Dien so say. And ebia akomia boame akomia fere me entisadi asembia bana me ni akomia ka say your friend be mu pe ebia me no meba form still Jenny Emoso did not give in according to one testimony adekokomae so yensaka testimony there means that girl na sell papa ni out
but azama
was selling it out in the CCA you know. They have enough evidence to proceed with the case against Luis Rubiales.
Way a fidie bi no monsu na anu akotomana.
It could be.
About say ya wadi bo what say bia Mickey my own money.
Yeah.
Adena me ye nenye. About say bia me ni coach akasa.
Yeah.
No ba be kasa. Obeji dia tu. But we dey no this one can look at it.
Yeah.
Obia ya as a lady ni nye willing say obeti o mo masem no kra. Fidie bi na anu akotoma.
It could be politically, it could be motivated. It could be politically motivated. Say the opponent of Rubiales are Omonya a good case to stand on. See a piano free. And truly the Omo person Omoya na bim. And once after so resign no yen case where who be exactly the point. In Tiansaka something that is good enough. See a be you so we can play the cards and it will go against you. That is a political aspect. 2, ebia they also see Rubiales and they say your cases be ababa a fan ho ene ema assault verbal and not sexual into whether they think are strong enough especially from the feminists so imagine so then they will hit at the man so it could come from various angles or various circles but the point is that it was not wise on the part of Rubiales or Esadieno but these things see it will be but inability to restrain himself and leading into that still in Spain.
Share quick mama na
and Jose Maria Enriquez Negrera ne lawyers ne file defense once the case ne were court and to defense our lawyers ne file and almost papa no sebe when you Alzheimer's disease tinadwi mu kan kakra sa no ama when you symptoms of one memory loss and an speech and so you impaired so to me nkasa yi
ase we chirala waba na wiase no niam bu amo yero o say ezi akoya ayebe
Alzheimer's disease and come me chire mu so that people will get the understanding.
Membre no.
No problem. Yeah, first.
Yeah, short. Those on Kaide.
It won't be short. It's not necessarily meet the other.
That I say also on Kaide. Like
one, Alzheimer's disease, no, eto omo fene drain him kaka.
Oh, okay.
Now it comes with several symptoms. One bit me the picture na the atoso. Negrera was 78 years.
Oh, okay.
Good. The lawyer, your friend Daniel Perez. Daniel Perez echo him say when you Alzheimer's disease. Now these are the symptoms of Alzheimer's disease. Ultimately you're confused with time. Until be our hakra or nim baby or was a year mammy penny for a year nananom no.
You do baby.
Obisa how whiny exactly symptoms ni no. Oh, difficulty in completing familiar tasks. First, now go to me, Johnson normally on one of these or two or Johnson. The movement issues. I hope you get.
Now, brother, Ramizi, come over the Ozo, the order on Sembi bar. Now, we rama Messadi. About the Brana and Yanko, any yana Renako. Na and then won't come over breeding Diana. And ye Okojano, Macho, Yahuno, Obuyano Aba. About the Aquaba.
Ogoja
match do say yi
o se na adwuma on the police adwuma no enyo no so some security service asi direct orders ni directives our bosses be ma omo na mo assign wonti ni nyina na ya na emma onya kwenya nti se be to ma coincidentally em se na assignment no ama wanya kwenya
apostle
abu minim ni abu
ozule na waji okocha o
sa
okocha bi ya yehu
ba police ejuma na ka sa na tie
apostle
oh yes me so jani ba oza Michael siri sa na tie
ya hu ni nyina na
na mono mo pese mo yemfa mo asem ba ha na
bele wa ya
dia mo ye fiti arope yo pese yemfa mo
ya be ayi bibi ya ibi ya la bozo
sani amu ye na goalkeeper ye onye
o ze keeper ide afo go da say na go ye sha afo ide ohun ne ma ye
ya da wase
ya kwa
so na no ni go da champions of the final
ola de oda go
so da champions the final the best is
apostle
now yeah chia yeah team for open here for now Abu quickly Sabi Catro say idea we could talk Max Verstappen story no any news that is one and he's won the world championship title we're winning the third time consecutively but you see our bibi woni mu a na woni papa just Verstappen mo and near din what you call profomo daring and near din sunkum awoni mo now ni papa any Michael Schumacher and Sebio Omoka I was Benetton for by a decade. So there's here. Now Enti Akolano at a tender age only papa to me called the paddock. Now I call share sena nema ekoyi. And then the papa were influenced on the decision to even in fact all ban on McLaren and I pen from Formula 2, but not Toro Rosso are the more like subsidiary to Red Bull and Omokofano. And so that's why the debut, he made it for them in 2015, and in the debut for them. And in 2015, he was the youngest rookie. I mean, I feel all baffled from younger baffled from at the age of 17. As this is the and then Formula 1 I share class he's already 18 and son of about Formula 1 or okay. Formula 2. Now, but this young man, the maiden Grand Prix Australia 2016 was marvelous. Yes, he didn't win. He was not among the meet the faith and ourselves, but at least what he did or share near Dean Kakrase or what dachi. Until time I'm moving to Red Bull, we're moving from Toros about Red Bull no, when he was 18 years. And the first race was the Spanish Grand Prix winning year. And my Red Bull Nigeria no this guy. Sad time not done a caveat. Enya is having contract issues with them, but ono amanya no munya jide onimuzo no oman dane kibia dako the Russian obekona akola we that change so the that was a master stroke decision they took, and that decision has paid well. Now say ebia 2021 unu say sebio eye agrobi eye intoms 2021 Abu Dhabi Grand Prix eye intoms. Because that Grand Prix really started defining the young man. Grand Prix anayeko oni Lewis Hamilton, were 369.5 points in your pair. So now Abu Dhabi never defining who wins, determine who wins the Grand Prix. And then the young man. Yes, Ubetimia can send me there were issues. But don't forget, or we need pole or the fastest lap. But the issue about Sebi Michael Adamfo, not a race director for Formula 1 at that time. Problem is Niema na race yesha se na Lewis Hamilton lead but at lap 53 Nicholas Latifi enya problem the car e crash here nti yesa safety car eba senebe ya be clear car no ni debris dem asay ni nyina ansana safety car be die ni kaka na waja kwan na mu abeda ho enomo ena Max Verstappen compete cars say they should not unlap each other after that. But you see also 5 cars all between them can that's the race director and take a decision. And the man marks the effect win here. And now Lewis Hamilton can say win where nya papa because of one fast win here.
Yes.
What do you say? So now say Ochre say my rival, this is an established champion Lewis Hamilton. An emerging force in Max Verstappen. Say Max Verstappen just say when enya in terms of idea bano a hurricane Sompa Verstappen ebano a idea eba besi tsunami Formula 1 obi antimi takibio. So he need to prove himself. Then came last year. Now oye BBIS from Kun. First of all, the first race in Bahrain when finishing. Second race in Bahrain when finishing. But akwe disani din sa daring risk gambling in driving. Emma Obewini title no last year.
Yeah.
One winning even in Belgium, but me free 14th position on the grid. Obewini and see that. Now before last year, now Obian winning 13 races. And look, Monaco was the third. So he was he had 17 podium, Austria or the second. Silverstone, that British Grand Prix or the 7th. And Okaboma, a afia oya dear Sronkun asserted record in the number of races or win here. Now Osha afi where Niawaye no ebru Niawaye last season. Now what it means is that every year he is maturing and growing into stardom. And Osha last year, baby wanya de piano, he has improved better.
Yes.
Bahrain or winning this year. But last year one finish.
Yeah.
Who they here?
Yes.
Then Australia this year we're winning. Last year we're improving on more.
Yeah.
British Grand Prix last year Carlos Sainz that win here. He's won this year.
Yeah.
Monaco when winning or the third we're winning Monaco this year. Austria or the second we're winning. The thing that a young man has done this year, a marked improvement upon your year last year. Osha only Charles Leclerc point got one for the season last year, and there was 200 points on Sergio Perez. And he was mature to the extent that now he's an established driver. The 2021 you see Abu Dhabi and then untimi and fans soon because from last year record this year we got 10 races from Miami to Monza. 10. And see that 9 and Sebastian Vettel of Red Bull 2013. Oh yeah. But on why 10 race a BC da consecutive watwaso from Miami to Monza. This gentleman. Aka yebeko US twice. There's a Las Vegas as I say abeka. Sao Paulo beba, Mexico beba, na Abu Dhabi. But he's already won. Oka ni aka no bomu enum na aka na. O the Francis Sergio Perez winning here, which will never happen. The only circuit for even Red Bull Lancasa. He will end up as we speak now. You got 18 races, but we need even 15. What it means that 1 year he will do 18. Now last year or year 50, which was a record, and now be mark or 18 or 17 races. He's a phenomenal driver, phenomenal. And the problem today for Lewis Hamilton is that just could be seen, but difficult for. And now, I dare woman say, and your Red Bull car, he make Red Bull, not Red Bull making him.
Or none of the Red Bull do that level.
We defy this year, 18 races, we defy race instructions 7 times.
Wow.
Say near Christian Horner be catching so there be strategy or see there be on found with or no be and now yen so efa and or defy the norm. I mean on follow status quo this young man. And ama we do baby we do san near dinner sometime on penny focus there we dey me ankasa minim say me ye better chen ya moka no near me cancel minim near me comment me that's what the young man has done. Or ye phenomenal driver and as wanted Jack Stewart and his Ayrton Senna. This is our the elite 3. Trust me, this young man. Next year, Obesan repeat it. Let me catch you. This beginning of this year.
Last year, you know.
He will repeat it again.
He
will repeat that. Oh, you're a phenomenal driver. Paul or the 4th, 5th, no one necessary. He will come and win it. Oh, you're a phenomenal driver. At age of 26 years, and what he's doing for Formula 1 is incredible. Osha, McLaren so yeah dear. Osha Japan Grand Prix. Oh, Oscar Piastri. In fact, Osha near sea war. A friend is saying, Katana. On say last mature more sprint race shooter, the shootout. And no yeah, a friend is saying before. On say you were pole practice, and I were sprint shootout, and I was sprint race.
Yeah.
And sprint shootout, and the woman say, and no say sprint, you know, you my point top 8. But before then, no say cast no, and you say quantity say moko na omombe qualify no. I was shoot out from a sprint race now. Oscar Piastri is winning. I want to say sprint race no Max winning second and Lando Norris. The race proper and a Max 2 minutes and no lap 34 for the 3 we jumano. But Oscar Piastri, or a rookie, I feel 22-year-old Australian young guy or McLaren. Now himself Lando Norris is winning race that and play position, but he's done that with the sprint race.
Yeah.
A young guy. Or yeah, and McLaren Japan almost the second and third. We also want the second and third. But Osha Kata BBC Alex Albion of Williams. Then Logan Sargent of Williams. And Esteban Ocon of Alpine. Almost 3 way. Esteban Crowder of Figo, the helmet. Now heat was from 50 degrees Celsius. But in spite of the heat of Muko race Katani Formula 1 owners away from the Liberty Media, I'm from US. I signed £45 million a year deal. Now first race no and Kata. We need to sign deal no.
Oh, okay.
And even though I shoot nipa vomit no Sikenti £45 million a year no. And so more making sure say on my core race no. Anyway, and for me, like I said, trust me, Formula 1 is going to be bigger and bigger. But Max there, some kind of Ujechine say Alonso second grand anka me buy anka I saw baby come. Then for mami na me way Jimmy because Max I have you. Now next year, so as Max the mini Mike and all Max. So Max ebesan next year.
Next year is always
oh
ebesan be huge man.
Why never? Hamilton the return.
On the zero.
Mistakes in Kwano. No, is a return. So it's a wonderful performance from a young man. Kudos to him. Congratulations also. If with 5 races to go, he's done it, and that's how exceptional he is. And the post race interview is a time one. Okay.
Na Eddie ni bibi e wonti no. Ya maya ba musumbuda. Ya maya ba musumbuda. Our Go 52 Estate Construction Limited of us your pay kets and our be yakwaba.
Major
Miliana did I say de
Yanko pardon.
Moses one am in Yajipa. The be aboard the energy neighbor. I come up.
Yes.
Any abrabo
Ghana brabone de
in crashes and
nya plot and ye fee and so. Earlier na chese who say okoya na say obaya ntino na da bia ye gusu 52 estate ye bonsa ase ho dawro ye bo adan ho dawro ne efie ho dawro se bomoden na onsa entimi nka bi na negisem ne se be de me nka na yen ahyante na se yen aka no memu no obi eti ase anaso owu ibusa ne fie yemusa ne ka yemusa ne ntade enti obehu bi fie bi anim ni atro in memory of near be okra the love and decan but who be atade ya twere mu sa na se obi ka ho a ya twero sa ade agu ho ti mpanyimfo se obi bu ewu a ibusa ne fie
yes
yemusa ne ntade
dabi
eno ntina nipa wosi so na obobra abomoden se obenya efie na da bia meka wo ya branch baba wa no wosi so a wo de enye kase enye bibribia de wa ho de beso ena fofo mi no timi kom ho bom ebeje half plot no machim kota anti half no me fan say half no cry 50 by 50 a omuntimi chim 25 by 25 no match o madi eno no okase wo sida wantimi ansi kura no ubetimi asi 2 bedroom flat e de asi sa kota plot no so ahodi ne ni wo si na brosa kura se nya asase wo soro wo se flu so a wo se nya another plot esa wo soro bim enti mo ye na hofo mienu a mo nka mo adwene mo nka motim pare empa ho 15,000 ase 20,000 kura na mo benya half plot 20,000 na 10,000 mo nka mo fa meje na mo nchem kota ene wo ko new site ahodo a abu enika keke obi ni half plot quarter plot no wasi bi a 1 room 2 bedroom bi no wasi na dey so not na dey mdin wonu obi ani asem o sorry a oba adwuma okofi oba bi odi ni ti kwakoto oni fie wura ni problem enu nti wo ya branch baba wonu wasi so a ye di nkomo se sa mre ye ne ya brabo ni asetena na ye wo mu se sie ne de mesrew boabo usika no kakra bi a wanya bia no Fabra 52 estate eni ye metena se utua half ani ama 20 bags of cement na da kwose wadwuma na na de aka ne spread ya ma na watua ne kakran na wo ho so atimi ahan na waye kakran na watimi anya 1 room na 2 bedroom bi na de siso na bia wo ne wo yere ene ma wakokotena wadim emprempi mrante ne maba woni bi ni won ya ba no a sika ba ya nsem ne be pass ase ne ato no obi wo ho no mo anya mienim nukreni sika ba ne nsem obra na wonya nware menkwala amamu no a na wosen ko timi yesa ade no to asase bi epe 1 rubi si so no wanye efise ne abrabo no enkwadanya ba mu se kim asesa niema eni ye bie school ya nkwala eku school no otimi se awofo no
obu susa clear school fees
omo musika se ewo soro bebere ne de omo de ya no omo nse danya heat ne sa ba ye ne aye moderate ni medium no ne ade no fo no de bibi ko ya widim ohun enti ekoba na sa no a senyame amamu a nas bia plot no wantimi antobi eno enti nei ahoden wo ho wo kwa oba wo ye adwuma sika ba wo nsam no ene wo so tin boaboa no da bia meka wo de enei ahoden wo ho no gi full plot 40,000, 30,000, 50,000 abenya woda gi full plot fato ho waduru baabi na hoden ni wo no kra no wo de atwa half plot na fasi half na aka no na tena wade so eye tietietia da bia meka enema ne bo and depreciate da eya asase me hu se asase ebo abafom se bia nei enka na tete ya ne ekekere so omo mpanyimfo no na meni ho bintimi nkasa ye tetefo no ekekere so ame no e ka so ame asase bo kire wa e bia that time no kra no me ba bia mete me firu ami ne di nkomo no o kire mu a that time no to na asase no 80 cedis 80 cedis 10 cedis makumako 8
80
cedi eno kra no o se asase ru an ton man no odika kotua mu se 50 cedis so 40 cedi ena de aka no koye adwuma no nya kakra 5 cedis no wode ko 2 cedi no wode ko saa
ero de twawie
ni wasi ni fie siso a watim oni fie ura bia ni problem edan wode ma han bosome so a okase matum wontimi ntua obetu uni option obetu so akọ oti ase enu nti ena da bia ye bo ho dawuro nkakran no e bia meti ya me kase we be kase yi na ono no oti wa kase wo bi de me wo bi enti no abetena ha na America ti minimini America oti ase e mi gusu a me ya kakran
na uli bi kra la otu that avuto ye obi de avuto ma na hurte no city a obezo ntie but o fra beboa o na say minimum bi a oye guess pa but we try to be case ma se menye mama
yes
it is all years obedi onu na chiezo na wo kra wo kasa ni we ya entuzu baby a chire na be hu se na se no ka no yeah
enu nti yesremo 52 estate ya base e beboa amobi anya baby a ochina odi ne tibeto na etimi abo na be ye onu ane de enti da bia meka mabunu no ko pempanyimfo no de yesebe omo ekọ na emom yei mabunu na yen aba na wose yemi ani da ho na enne no yetimi ye bibi ede ma ye ho no wakina bi ye ho antimi ankwa kire yen kumase ye wodua ase kumase dua ase page 4 eho na be hu 52 estate enkran Kisma Junction achimota kwantempon so wono ma page Kofime Plaza eho na be hu ye won kramoponi mantemu na ne yedi nkomo ye number obefra ya sie so epese oni yedi nkomo bia wo asase a wo ton anase bia wo pa asase ato wo fie a wo ton ana wo pe fie ato ni nyina no fa beda 52 estate na ene ye ni nkomo na ye moa wo ye number no eye 0556
0556 72 33 38
0556 72 33
38
0556 72 33 38 eno eye 52 estate ye numbers eno no abefren na oni edi nkobo ye yese ye ton asase na afa ye ton asase na ye ton ofie tofie ne sin nyina sin nchen a 52 estate nkoa ne the estate company ye boa enipa ema onya baabi odi ne tibeto enti na ewu tie yen na ohwe yen na me ne okasai ope eye ope mesini amna ye wadwuma e de amawo anasa me ne okasai ope baabi a obeda se ope dan ahan se ye sing room self contain se ope chimba hall dan bia ope bia no bo modern se oni 52 estate for ebedi enkomo na yetimi aboa no anya dan na wo so watimi ahan no wadam ama wo so wasum etimi adwowo eno na 52 dwuma yedi eno no ebio utie ye wato asase na to wodada open workers amoma ya asase no so adwuma na so mo develop asase no de amawa eye 52 estate fa be dan ye na de woda da e fa ne mason a obeye dan no ho adwuma de bia meka obetu foundation wo de ne so do plan
adi we no cross enyo na be toro ba ma to oda da
wato wo hoda
na me pese mo be ye we no so me contact mo okay
fa be dan ye ye wo eye expert ni nyina mo ye adwuma bia bi wo ho sefa ne say wo betu eye kan say ubetu asase no betu form na the blog ato ho koduru eye flow level obedu eye lentil obeduru eye beto so miensa no abrosan so ebe flow so ni nyina fa bedan woye no awie no kura awie no ye wo carpenter for ho be bodan no so kama de amawo ye wo carpenter for no bi ho ma wo bo dan so a nyame no kura ni ache kura be 1 year 2 years dan be sha ase anwunu
yes
but 52 estate ye no ye expert e wo sa nyema no ho a ye bodan so ma wa edano enwunu ebi wo so nsuo to a anasem frama bi bo a so empa ni nyina 52 because ye nim adwuma na ye ya ache na wo mo so edi ye ho adanse obi ye na ye adwuma pa bi edi ye ho adanse
o wane no kre
ama se recommendation no ye sia no me no ka say ye wo no a wo amanfo nkuro so US Canada for Qatar for Dubai for chese mintimi nkan a omugu so a omudo adwuma e de amayen
e ama ovana ne mo
debi om bebre pa adwumboni wo muti obo abro no wo nu okọ na sa mo bo abro no so no omo ye omunyini che
o ya obecha di wa brache ba
yes obenyini che na enei no emrante no bawa na aba no pafo ni hwe obusuanum wo fa bi obra panyini bi sika ba ne nsem a wanhwe so yie amfa bi antoton saase angu ho amfa bi ansi dan no saafo no wonya sika wodi nanum wonya sika me na manya me sika odi bo preman saafo no omunyini che omokwa na obetena busuafie
obe ya fa ya fa na badi bi
omokwa na obetena busuafie
ya fa na badi bi me na so la yeko why ya fa na badi bi
52 estate ya boyi sa ne ma ne nyina e de afiri ho no mo ope plumbers ope tilers ope electrician dan ho bibia ope bia no fa bedan 52 estate na ye mo ye number ne 0556 72 33 38 0556 72 38 eno eye number dika ka say number ba ko nya problem ho afi ni so a ye resolve next week de ye ma na sa number no edem kama ebu as usual me koi o ya brantie no wasi so o de beto car na abbo premine be ya fesem toto ne ma hu hia gadget ne ade a etwam no mesrew for 52 estate na fa beton nsase for go on emo wuchina medase
Medase pa 52 estate construction limited o maso ye ne ko kokodi comment ya na ya kwere ba pe ya tia sima fisem no ebeto aso amamo
wahwese wakosho akodi dwa ahodo basket ma emu provisions ene nyoma ahodo ehia opa we delay musa edru so na ukotua nso a yaka kire wo se untimi nchanti e me chance number na so ya keke na mom o de Vodafone cash dia uni how cry yaka ko bia say dia untimi de Vodafone cash etua merchant bia or what network bia so straight direct sharp enti say water provisions fuel inro inuane me kire say bia o pese wo ye bia no Vodafone cash ama na ye mremremra ma o ehia o be ya de say o be dial *110# netu aka ko merchant bia ho e wo network bia so
Vodafone. Play now Landio, Ghana's #1 casino game. Aviator Al Landio Betway Airport. Betway, for the love of the game. Bet the responsible way. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Terms and conditions apply.
That's a long ball into the penalty box right now, and number 7 receives that. He's gone past the defense. This must surely be it. Goal! It's a goal!
With only 50 pesos, you can win 5,000 Ghana cedis weekly in the Betway Tap In Jackpot. Do Hine. Bet responsibly. Not for persons under the age of 18. This advert has been approved by the Gaming Commission of Ghana.
Hey, it's your 4 game pack 4 pick one game na ya channel. After dia bedroom. Choose one by the wakumaso. Every the number 1 equity 30. Bocho wabra ye number ne pie. Bobo na ye ready say. Ubedi mula wabra wucha from 1 Ghana cedi to 350 cedis. Na face kana ube channel. Fabo home play the nusia. Metire 26 times. E was up pick one game imu. Chabano abra wubo *946# on all networks. Ana aface ubeti mi akwa yen website. Ana ubeti mi download the game pack app no. E was www.gamepackgames.com. Share live draws. E was Adum TV. Anopa no nkron. Area dumienu. Ene nyumre no nsia. Debia. Game pack. More mula, more power. Sagrodi, National Lottery Authority in Sashasi. And yet more mundi if you do watch it. Bon wash yim.
Esikafo krom wo de ya na na se edidi hu nkomo yi en wako fa abrofo fi abrochina ba besin in terms of sa no akwa ma se abrohafo 52 estate construction and ese dan kama sa no e ka no so nya hu bia o 52 estate construction firms nko na esi wo dan se me ka se wo ka Sompa tie company ni diri Waton sase ene adan amanso ni ho ene wosi adan so ton wosan manage properties na kire se wo pedan ato wo pasase ato anase wo pedwumaku bia amenesi modern houses amwa nya bi ato a mo na unim wo fie kura wasi etimo no se ne bra twam na wo jade ma 52 estate construction fo a na kire se design ni ofa bia mu a mo nyese bi mbobu dan nyina guo ba se no besi aye dan modern wan hwe wan ka sa wo du fie no wo hura wo hunu wow na wonu mo hefa 52 estate construction Kiseman, Gimpa Achimata Road, for 0556 72 33 38. And the Kumasenso, page 4 and 12 Road, over 0531 52 57 97. Social media Nyanso, at 52 Estates.
21st Clinic, yes, sciatica expert. Sciatica no, when nerves never to us and if I was simu, never on Nasia, Bessia, Siahono. Say, who teach him, and no any friend sciatica. Na etimi bubu oto ase ka wo se dwe wo slim woje ho ba bia imapa wo mu yenti abaso bo magye no Ghana ha ene amono ne enyasem ketewa wo mu gi international awards ahodo wo mu gi local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia gi 21st clinic nko a wo mu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo magye din wo mu pa no sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mo ho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na 21st clinic wo mo sciatica expert
Alright, Mama Dina, Yetimia, Twasona, Yirani, and Coco couldn't come on a sorority area. The 21st clinic also caught Nani, a Buana, John, now Sonanema Kuyepa, a Timia Maya, no more Masia, and Jumo, more Bononia, Dancy, dear baby Fibano, Yadiano, Edim, Perbane, Seatic, Hong Koma, or more Edamufu, Riasina, Ghana, Komono and as a what transache amount to a sintin chichon a chichua romo share chu be born here nache de bino o baba be bubu make us say ona akoni bia sufie e basa na just asemo yaba ti mane nyansa ensusu so na hyase e ba e 21st clinic na also ko e kokuranya no nko omobo modin ebu adwuma yie papa yare bia fritisu babesu na ase no ye ba modin etimi aso ano say stroke diabetes ne de aka kanina ye bo aso ano etimi ere momo e wo laboratory akwa ye bebo modin ya dusuru so bebi a ye ne hye ya bo modin aso ano egian na so na nema akuyera ma scan services no e koso o maso e ma cancer unyamra o de friday bia wo pon adwuma nwumre no to for ne ma massage no your machines ni bi wa ye de bobo ho obonse na twetwe sa na muja no edi efusa ne last year me nan si ba ku bi so a me wie na muza mpa me gina brane ne ma ne na me body ni me boama ne makoyie pa etimi ye de ma 21st clinic nko a and abenya more than 15 branches Ghana bibia omo ebo adwuma Kumasi Overseas Junction omo bena free radio Wadomi market omo eye adwuma sunyane nkranza techiman Ghana bebia omo ebo adwuma nti form na ma no kan how chair doc na obre na waboa na so no we jan na 0249 311 0249 311 311 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 yemboa na ne mande dadi so no entimi enfama ye prenkofu mienu a ye re ombeko akako ruamu ewa amanone na amanone na akono ne do ko okako ye ejuma na akako ne ba na residency permit any permit awodo na ye nu hwamo edidamu kama pa etimi ye mount ye mema mienu na ne no ye bo mode etimi apre omo na aboa mantoto ye no etimi akoye kama so etimi ye mount me pacho fa number we na ne mpinfo eni nkomo ne mo na hyehye no enkoye kama so no entimi enfa ma 0241 272 990 0241 272 990 tie mema mi no ene airport mo nature medic semenka enfan cho se jindupa ebe timiara mano mundo no ya de keja papa ya waso de ebo modern sebi pa na bako dimpa heba mixture ze maria na edunya typhoid fever wanuma tu ntimi ndidi ha adwezanza didi de ebo ama na makoye pa etimiere mena for out so honam ne yo ya mepacho effective pa dimpa heba mixture de ramu bibia na kokojibi no mo gastro mixture no zo wo ya fumu ha ulcer na edunya ulcer type bia no unya gastro mixture na ebe na bomode etimi aso ano etimiera ma baby girls no omo boa de menso plus mixture no abedi ama bosume so obunsa na e ka odwe niam anshara ndeda ye obunza asa ade no eba enshara maye sa na fa ase no aye bisi basakakra ti kwakuba behwe no ko na ya so aba behwe no ko na we aba behwe no ko ni nyina so omunza ase baby sheda enko ye sa unya menso plus mixture na ebre na yisa ha no nyina fio ebeboa ma baby acheche aye da ya akono na ne ma koye pretimiera manti menso plus mixture me pacho Jama sonako nakoko jibine ba okay kusimdia ba otakra de na abwache ba akratema ekus pharmacy oro ani chemu ashama ya ujibinti fre nani mpemfo nkasa na ka ho ne mwa na jaw na so na ne mande da dimpa and from 0248 7788990 248 na hihye no ende da yeso no etimi afama kama na bibia enko yeso no etimi afama Trinity of Arc Limited Company zebra na yendi amano ne nkomo na simple nurses no doctors no lab technician no midwives no and also crown nanche no oye health worker Canada UK Trinity of Arc Limited Company and edo ko akwaku ramni aboa na onso egia na so na ne madadi mpa era mapezo suado bebi te Canada America North and South Europe no yebeboa na yetimi edwa ramenu echi no yeboa etimi eje na chese sport visa de ma footballers no ene alita wodo na mamu rama no ne ekokoto amunjuma di no so wo nsa no juma bi so e carpenter oye Tyler oye cleaner oye driver anase puno oye Qatar, Denmark, Poland, and Afino, and Mamma Udona Quenya Bamponis and Juma. For number near Moncasani, Robeco, Aquacurum Simple 0531 644 217 0531 644 217 and 0531 633 556 0531 633 556 and 0205 572 076 0205 572 076. Oh, pour moi, Wokumasi Adwa to Masala Chomo, Eben Abripo Junction, Akaswa, New Market Road, no Fidelity Bank, Abanso, no first floor. Oh, Bomodina, wait me, Homaniabwa, Amaniama did the impress me, Amanamono, Yawan Shishia Pabi, near the Maya Herphony 84, and Tiazali 11:30 Meko, na Makwa Kudin Community Kaka, says Sompa Sika Promono, Yabomodina and the launch, no, Netimia Rampe Timia Amount. Nina Zempe for the Baba Chechu Munkia Befaso Acradiano, Obertono Common is simple. Nina say short code na Yediabano, Yedike Didi, the one command say a star 256 star free hash nembwa na nyamande da dimpa etimi enfama na mun komono erempin for the bombe chichi me da 5 Ghana cedi pe and abebo mode etimi dia to ticket ni bi niama fa utimi nya beze 20,000 Ghana cedi a yem program so no na run no na ye bomode chenko fuzi kanti esmas ibai no ni nyina na ye ntoto ya ye di ram na aboa ma niama da dimpa etimi da mantin pen for the baba na ya baba be chu mu kan abefa so akrade no odun be ram na aboa ma niama da dimpa etimi da mantin mun komono eye Sompa Sika promo ene na launch no ejepene na ewram na niam so no adeda ye kama pan so no etimiera mantimra no so a na wabomode na onso no wetimi etibi nti exactly 11:30 mebara maba bidun komo bara entutom no meni mpemfo be didi komo akra mo ni World Scientific Clinic and Diagnostic Services Dr. Nimo Zemen Kancheze oyo oba o awudie mu hawo enye no nko oye bema wade no ayeza afon kakra e ma obre ena vezo kwa untimi nkeja ya na girls no efro under 1 minute me amepacho yana Dr. Nimo basi pia sita niama koyi etimi edi amana senete ze wadini so apese kese obeboa okosina ni boss ba kumienu daya oyo oba so no na infio no niama nshara nkoyi obeboa ma bibi acheche aye daya kono how bi obia obeyi etimi le fio na nami aye no wabomode yi le fio nya no nko halitosis se okasa mpampan na edi echi no e mankofo bebre ma onchen a eye edwuma e simple kra etimi ere ma do cancer on sensem se typhoid hepatitis no o kidney disease liver disease ni na no obre no wabuampo sunsumu yare no ni nyina dokohwe echo niema ebeboa no etimi aso ano no kwa o mfidie bebrode yejuma your laboratory services or scan services no or ye na machines so use no waye ntotoye no na kumase no open na tonsumu na ko junction o sita dansi we abango me pacho hono obomodin bu ejuma joda anopa no 7:30 am ekokowie 6 pm na afi no atoamu joda na ekokosi memenda ntu kwa obedoso na wa hunu ode ma wa ebeboa ma ne ma ko izanze nido no we research unsa ana mo nkran no so no nkran open na circle omo ewo Fotorama na inside Fotorama obenyo omo Bengori Free Station o sit NS Chemist inti no mo nkran no so do doctor nhihye mu no ya woda kokosi memenda anopa bia no no so abo edi apa mu kokosi enwume no nsia ena obo mode ahwe mu etimi ermanti farama no na kan how che doctor ni mu na ejuma obo no ano edimpa 0244 087 687 0244 087 687 0279 087 0279 087 emboa na niamande da din so etimi emfama choma daroma yeni koma akra nansa na nema kona launch ni etimi ato aso na abazo yen ramu na krobia koma sia santi korokwa standing game no erama na no edimpa di omomma me give na highlight ne ne hwe kakra na enrerama na emmoama niamande da din ti no kaluata abomodi amakoroko enyo mo first win it was season we after 4 matches na 90+7 for you to do with Shira to Zampa go no time when they buy no na anu edimpa di yes komana sin feel
who say and we can say Mitchell there is Kotoko, that's what Kotoko does as andi Kotoko niema mu ye din Kotoko ho na ho Kotoko no apie fiba the sum team no team no a track the character the pedigree of the team. And because there's a boys no any coach no just say no need team no more bono omo tiasia they will beat Accra Lions omo the yejuma and Enra they did that Enra omo yejuma they played a very determined game and omo making sure say Omo said they wanted the 3 point in it. Omo Bas Omo Bobo Efe. And they're not sure. What Kotoko did was to make sure that Omo Ma Accra Lions said Bobolo. Look, Sadat said Unisha Khan, Akobia player. Yes, and Sheriff Muye and Wijuma. And Kotoko Sompa Sports. Pa and the Dean on boy pa. And for me, if you realize the fact that Kotoko air coin to this game air 2 point that they have. This is not Kotoko. Yeah, coin to this game Kotoko and air swa claps thing, you know. There was the need for Kotoko to prove the point that this is Andy Kotoko. Sebi football the name bakum you know not atosin, but it doesn't mean that Sebi Kotoko no. And yesterday the boys proved it. They were pushing a probing. Oh, Bona Lampte boy Afro goalkeeper Afro 27 minutes.
Yes.
That was a solid kick from him. And goalkeeper also excellent reflexive. As Lampte Sanya the same thing. Keeper no year. Unfortunately, Mukwala had a difficult day. But even though you also say the supply didn't go, but and no also inverted fullbacks.
Yes.
Nana Benyoshe against Japan. The whole idea was and that what you do in critical moment don't hear point don't go near effect or born near Bema YG point no. And that's and second half but no say we share captain than ladder. No yes son be say HF players no. He was doing that. A show say first half Nejuma but second half don't PJ near no more. Because Sebio, Akralans and Colano, all the ball not too firm, one share Yamego and Mazo. Omono, they operate a lot when you give them opportunity through spaces. Until General Moso, thought they be a TT, I didn't about referee, no. Oh, yes, sir. I bet my do be I said, Omo, and they were not creating this century. First half, how many times the Akralans was great? Not even one shot on target, two shots on target in the first half. So, for me, tactically, Ogum, had the strategy spot on for the day, and then in or decided to obey Japan, they move Sheriff to 2. That's a whole normal Sheriff, the versatility no fast war. And Sheriff yesterday in midfield, they did very well. Yes, Kalu Unipano. Before the goal, he had 2 chances. Yes. 2. Or and they say, and the point is that Kotoko was also Kotoko Nyajidi be say this game you bet me winning. So they were creating and they were pushing. That's one thing about football. They kept on pressing, pushing, and then Kotoko press Lions very well because that's the only way. And at the end of the day, Kotoko was able to pull the 3 points, which was very critical for the team, especially about the Sompa Sports. Point we here pa a team no GD Emma Santia. See, I know we need 3 points in 4 games in Abo, but we share through 8 points. We said down gap won't be a win be to me as some would have on the league log. So they say proud I got to go see and I got to go down 50. So they say so being farmer coach Ogum, he did a very good job. The team did very, very well. Akralans was it was unfortunate. Goalkeeper Anobeka say yes, full, but football's on the team. Niamasa SCC or young goalkeeper only experienced that much. Set situations be happening. We're long years ahead of him to learn from set development. I'm telling you, sir, Ghana is serious. This boy, by 3 years' time, should be in our national team as an understudy, or future young goalkeeper. Or by mistake, they should call it. And can say a fan as a national project. Young goalkeepers only are there for national projects, and say yes, national project for the future. Yes, spending time at develop you. We was there in their club. Yeah, train you the senior national, the technical director of the FA. Any better such players, so more monitor, more guidance, some they can your coaches here. So because.
Every course under 20, under 20 years. Yes, 20 years. All our first game no MVP. Yeah, he seems to be reviewing. On him good.
Yes, on him good. So the Kotoko team did very well. My year near Sefata near here to get a 3 point. Don't be interested in fine football. They didn't play fine football. 1 year near Sefata to get the needed 3 points moving forward. Remember, team no etimi jelly year fine football remember, but baby almost here fine football. Points to them which they've done.
Besa bana yahwe ampem da kwa group no.
Of course.
Abu, there were glimpses of what Kotoko Peso in the season, especially in
Sompa Sports.
Especially kwa wana mfaso presse Accra Lions for no. Omujebo na the decision making as at that time patterns also move follow no mutimi create chance the ball to net boze ideas ni na sa yira wo sa fa he. And I think Augustine Japan should improve. Augustine Japan should ono amwa no ho. Aside team ne no so mo pon training na on pe balls and go na on ball crosses sa cutbacks cross across the face of the post adeba kwa na ma imoro damusro nko ne Christopher Nete no any set piece what kept Kotoko e ma Kotoko Timiji league no and Akotogum in his first season no Imbella was there but set pieces Kotoko fan as a very important aspect of their team into free kick were right was imoro aba e left na Christopher Nete just to make sure say Ombe are there an extra bite chances no more creating the crowd. So on the day when your midfielders are off, on the day when your wingers are off, it is the fullbacks that needs to create a lot. It's the fullbacks in the way say create a lot. And Kotoko any typical wingers now no more be mrene twamuni bi no.
O piato ano mo di mirika
1v1 or 4-1. So but fullbacks na say and also mo take duty. Augustine Japan, we are young, you are doing well, but I believe there is more to the game you need to add because among more teleku prayer hano, Osebon su prayer hano, we experience under 20 about wako chan. So you are supposed to be leading by example within this setup. Men can suruka when you transfer and kwama nonia. Likely we say Kotoko captaincy no to asubi because watch him. Obeto. Omo ana oni omo bo league je mu kra be mu ana mutari e chiri kakra na you kra no betari. So we learned from the best before they left. And Kotoko fullbacks there. Me de bia me kasa asem
fullbacks in there Kotoko there.
Trademark of Kotoko omo fullbacks almost 7 and 11 and number 10. And a keeper.
And a goalkeeper
those key positions Kotoko enya de kra no. E also those positions
we recently saw the they are the standard.
If I said the godfathers of fullbacks at Kotoko.
If it was Haruna Yusuf and Akwesi Apia 2 and 3. Sorry, I say Haruna Yusuf Akwesi Apia 2 and 3. Then the staff of deputy Karim Zito 2 and 3. The higher appearance and the deputies. Oh, they are there. Ebenya Frank Amonkwa. Okay, nation. You understand me? Yes. So we've had that. In recent time, your Afro Inkum. And they are the standard bearers now because I'm going to national team for several years. So, Aziz Bansan Abuba. Yes. So, now we count the balance of 2 and 3 at the same time. Quality na.
So, I also guess Japan should try for himself for those external trainings. Energy no ho. Internet to be a coach ni here. Win be no ya. Opusi Sheriff. He cross a Sheriff here. What I say? He cross a Sheriff here. Pinpoint into the middle of the park. But I think the way back good thing they are Kotoko. If this does not turn their season around, then I don't know what to do it.
We know.
Yes.
Me.
Yeah, a good result.
Result in here.
You guys are focusing more on performance. Oh,
okay.
The results in here. And a good news is that goal on basically the last significant event after that Japan game, no. They will live with this memory. What it does for them is that it improves your more confidence. As I catcher said, the best motivation and Kakodoko. The best more ahead of the game. Was all printed league table no normal farmer player beyond on here. Before some Kobo game no. Or the coach never tactics no only players in film non relaxing. Non-printed league table and farmer player be I said this is crop ya baby ayeda. Tibo na mo Kobo no mo amonye de mo be. I hope you get it. So, Andra, no, there was no result and Kebeye positive for Kotoko, but a win. Now many results beyond but a win. And then they kept a clean sheet on top, which is good news. Because we check Kotoko on the road they concede. Away matches almost I concede. around, they won and then they kept a clean sheet. Most of our players are coming back, but there is an underlying theme. Prosper starting 11 Biano, they don't deliver.
Yes.
This season, the starting 11 Bia does not deliver. This changes back.
Sompa Sports.
And when against any team be or strong Kessia, I will not take anything away from Accra Lions. But Kotokonaye Bibi Ntianka Accra Lions in Kenya match. Kotokonaye Bibi, especially Accra. Accra ne de te se Kotokona ni home. Enti Kotokonaye Bibi we in Kenya match bia, but concerning a Prosper starting 11. Games on my body season in no. Ne starting 11 nenye enti second half no aba besesano. If you are not careful, you go and meet a strong team. By the time our best I was kill you. Now say a Karela, they stole a point at the last yes. And then this one, are good for team character. Just say, you're resilient. They don't give up. Are positive. Good. But there's also another factor. And they say, if you don't start well, so one shot yeah. I want to make concern one. If you don't start well, and it should be a concern. Me sure the coach nangas on him that I am na make a channel. Say, ne starting 11, he needs to have a critical look at it again. And kaya match back match me no and kaya okay. But we know I am match be awabo so far this season. And I believe the Kotoko fans themselves, they are worried. They are concerned. Now the internet boys ni bianchi nims and combat me abomunt mimbo. And the internet sheriff about a talking point. It is because anytime he's been given an opportunity to come on, Oba, he makes an impact. Baba Yaya Oba or make an impact. So why can't we have a consistent Kotoko 11 that is impactful enough? So almost share game Nasiana, the Omo Yeno, Omutimi no Omo Yen Nemani. So I think Coach Ninye Juma, they've won a good news. They can build on this Ometimagina way. So now they are starting almost season all over again. Season now to say the almost share. But Andra, you could see the fans after game videos near here, but or more chanty was stadium or more tonium. A good for morale, a good for momentum. O building is say ya, member BB and Sine Quine. Twas so never call him. And I think it's something that Kodoko can look up to.
Michael, just to add, fine, Kodoko you said. But trust me, this Samuel Chima and Alima, the two center back player for Atlanta. You should watch out. They are two exactly. And they are you share more calmness, more composure.
Yeah.
I was so impressed. These are young guys, but almost ball center. Very calm. I was like, especially the Jima. I was like, wow. No, like I'm saying this because say at this age, I want to be born as
Sompa Sports.
Look, if we are serious and we take interest in these guys, I don't see why in 3-4 these guys should not play the national team. So I don't believe this year about local players in foreign. Because look, Michael, the boys are intelligent, especially some of the Jima guy.
In training now.
Okay, so
the training. Exactly. Training the man anyway, no. And mostly at that level, no. Almost also impose confidence in them. And boys in bobo now, Oshomu age. Now share team or Baba so where they betray form. So but I don't need Coco share. Then the reality dawns on you that Charlie and so clearly these are boys who have been well trained. And a trainer also say CCA no born in the way city no and fan was away akodo way no. Look at Jude Bellingham what did say?
No,
20 years.
At the Real Madrid, then he takes center stage. So it doesn't matter the age. It's about the training and the confidence you give the players. And I call on boys no more they bobo. So your man could any training your more money. And then at times yes you know most coaches near hwehwe
and krana aba no on nessa krana aba.
Yeah.
Say Odio Muba be Jinabo Muno, the first in a din no. This time we do
So I what really a commotion no an unfair selection process. Quite a fast selection. Coaches nibi wa because they played a part or they initiated moves and the far play away from Brano. They are biased in their selection.
Bigura mami ni nkomo enimra na okocha dade bi be chewe chiri na hwe na tuana mombra na mboa ma ne ma ndeda din na sere me kan na ma baby girl ni betna bibia miki wono na ye hwe na me ni mpemfo ni nkomo akradi fan ye tna na enko bai enko enim kagradi sere me kan na ne ye bo modena Sompa sika promo launch no eramu kama peri amanti pemfo ro wa omode ye be fam na omache kwen e be fa so a ye beye no code no sensem ya kan se we no obo modern etwa baako a 5 Ghana cedis baro wa kwanya so already e shemi ya betimi adi be se 20,000 Ghana cedis a o de 5 cedi ji we esmas we pa de mu e de pa obengezi akwaba na me ba jon bombo kodi na udin no bodin ne ma
frame mensa
bonsu ye den
mensa was your junior and emidi
na mensa fi hin na ne wato me haya
and you're free Radio Entertainment Limited. I say ana ya to mo kasa fidie no so na etiefo ne ahwefo so mo hwen so etumi enya achede se otie wi watie wache for some time now. I can say nebia obi sori anopa na fidie no enda Sompa TV na da Sompa FM otie pepe na ye catch your man for say otie radio no empese be ye adwuma ma o ma radio anase TV hwe no aye wanika se uti radio anase wo hwe TV no ne yetua oka nti ene sika wo a wode ebe ma omanfo no ana ye ba beta echi na yaye amana efe anti na ne yo
mate akwaba mensa obaba se bibia abakode
nyame adom bibia
na me pa chozu din
pa che frame na knowledge Judith
okay Judith akwaba ya bibia fi so bokode
nyame adom bibia de din
mate di menza mama chance for few so na ye didi nkomo no said na wo ka no ye won hihye pa bebre de ma ya hwefo na yetifo zen no wanya adaji to hwe TV no tie radio na anya kwakwa e wo so so nya bibi etimi erifimo di chance ye didi nkomo Sompa sika promotion hon to ye ne ne ma no no na ka ze den okay, ladies first. Yes. Now what about you? Did you fire Sompa sika promotion? Then
Pacho Sompa sika promotion na ye adia ye dey see what say ye reward Sompa for because Sompa for etie Sompa for a very long time ni na yen to me sure mo say dey bia omuntie Sompa nkwan o say to me ye omo bibia o see to me cho mo identity see an Sompa sika ne de ye che sika no ye che Sompa etie for sika enye Sompa kuma senkwa sunya ne kan nkranza for so ka ho aha nti ne ye wa ha nti ne nti a obi betumi ede ne ho abata ho a obetumi abo a no nso ne nsabeka Sompa sika no enini e wo say owo MTN so
okay
me patron or MTN so dia na osan wo mobile money registered wo phone so a e osan osan nya sika wo momonim cause
you all no boa me kakra
okay
MTN nko a
me patron sisi a de MTN nko a
sisi a wo MTN nko a da network bianka MTN nko a because na me peso si wo so ye e ma me na nko 40 to aso MTN nko a
patron nti wo MTN a e wo say unya momo account wo momo account so say sika kakra wom sika wom sana afi wo fa phone na *256*3#
*256*3# says this will be a mame
*256*3#
oh okay
aha into boss a code ya obehu say drop down bi beba obehu Sompa Kumase obehu Sompa Sunyane obehu Sompa Nkranza inti ne wutie sisie na wechusu inti se wutie Sompa Kumase a wechusu 1 wutie Sompa Sunyane a wechusu 2 wutie Sompa Nkranza a wechusu 3 inti wechusu 3 a another pop up beba eba e say enter tickets dodro a opese wutwa
oh okay
tickets ba ko ye 5 cedis inti ticket dodro a opese wutwa inti wo enter 1 a ebeto 5 cedis
okay
wo enter 2 ebeto 10 cedis wo enter 3 ebeto 15
okay
inti sa no enter 4 so a ebeto 20 cedis inti eto sa na another pop up abase fa omomo pin shem inti wo enter omomo pin na afi wa beka omo a omo betumi ewini Sompa sika no
Okay, the so sani ale, but I guess no. Obia ne qualify so cha. Me kan infiemu.
Me pacho sisi ade undi 18 a untumi enti.
Ana is agro ne empin for agro. Enye nkwada de e wo ze omoba na omba bibia.
But ade ba kwa wo ho ye me de ne say momo na nkasa undi 18 a.
Yentimi nyam.
Because uni aga na card they register.
Oh, okay.
Aha, nti undi 18 a, amutumi verify say we di 18 a untumi kwa.
Sompa ya no matwa baako mienu miense nan enum ebiso amitwa baako pe ti kwan be na me fa so ahunse bia bibia de na kwan mo eko.
Okay, nti se ubowie sa na ho mo a ubenya message e be che say wabo Sompa sika promo no what to be nti ubenya message ebe ma ID number.
Oh, okay.
And ebe sa ma ye telephone number obetimi dey afre call center say bibie ni a nti sisi and after that no be train say ye be draw no e wo show no so.
Oh, okay.
Aha, ye be frɛ say we win and obenya alert wo phone to say we win. Nti ye draw ni wo show no so a bibia ye system nipa interference bi enim. Nti say system ne peke wo number na ho ne ho a on sabeka alert ne wo phone so bibia wo bia on sabeka alert no e wo phone so.
You deserve them komo we ne de pa na say the city no so skasem de ya na ho yi pa na me ba o ze no me twa ba ko a betima di ana me twa no dudu ma na ye ayi se midi.
Okay, a game of chance. I say probability. You say ya wa hegna ye beto. O beto o betwa ticket 10. Ebi am papa betwa 5, metwa 2, minyu abema betwa 1, ono so betwa 5. Ye na ye share ye dodo a ye twa wo na wo higher probability of winning because one our number no enemu dodo.
Oh, okay.
But eno so nche say wo na wo be win ebi a me brai a we twa ba ko pe ono no be win ono na la ka shine no be win. Into a game of chance.
But I was always so did I mean come try to do because me da do foodie there. Like that. Ma oh koja. Na try so nya twa kwa bedi. To be try to do that me dem ko. Utwa kwa bedi. Me twa gum dodo sa no be me ye ne be ye 10 a. Na me number na pia dia no twi draw na. Na draw no so kwa me ne ye be fa so ye no so ye be twi amayanzo. Ye twi draw no number winner pia. Me say no be bam.
Hono na Radio Entertainment Limited ebe no.
Oh, okay.
Na dwumedi me pese o manfo ti ase se eye Sompa ana echesika. Na ye Radio Entertainment Limited ye na ye ta echi a ye hwese ya hyehye system ana se ya hyehye mfidi a ebe boama dwumedi no atimi akọwa no wano. Eni ntino se nipa no etwa wi a eye system na ye te mfidi na ankasa eno ana ebeyi nipa baako se number we ana awene de ebeba TV so no ana onso obia telephone number anase mobile number use 10 figures but ana ye sheda eyi miensa na etwa to ni free ho na ebia na obusuani bi o number woni trim ebeto so asuma se diska na obefre na
obefra ba gini person
no wa kai wo se ebia ade bia o share ne bo no onya mfa ska na ma eno ntina ana for security reasons nti because me number ebeda video so se ma diska obi oni me kra no obetimi afre me enem scam ne ade nyina aba obetimi afre kra so ada o se o wasa wi ne foforo bia nti ye BBC eniti enya aye man numbers nyina amba but system no eye enfidie na epeke number no eniti no enim akwa panyi enim se we di 60 years ebi or 30 years we na young nti enfama no we na ne number de no system na yi number ne ba automatically no answer kra na fidi for no ebe frɛ wa wutie na wa wene no na sika no akogu nipa no phone so dada system nya pick your number na
sika na ba
sika na kwa dada nti nipa no benya message a kyerɛ we di sika no nti answer na ebe frɛ nipa no mpo yabisa na sɛ we nya sika no na e won phone so a we di sika na dada nti nye afi ni ebe ka se hia me wa ha bagi sika no aka sɛ ye kana na bia na sɛ ya hyehye ho sɛ esa sumasi ana e di sika na ma no so manfo be hu agiadi se Sompa echiska no na mo che ne kwan paso no system na ene yiwe na no na a kyerɛ sɛ we ya wene nti automatically ebe yɛ sa adwuma ne nyina ene nti eno ene dwumadi a yɛdi ma Sompa na Sompa timi a kyɛ ne sika pa.
Okay, Mati Meza di ju Yazamna mu kakra na we no guarantee say bia me twa me discard do say rama ska me nyani eno so che me mu kakra be ma ze ntade e share ba bi 20,000 Ghana cedi ni ade na me the 5 cedi abana me beji 20,000 dem ze anopa no me so ya na ma family phone na me te ho e dia no so che me mu kakra
okay me to me guarantee we say o de sika dodo we shema ube win me kasa ade me di control because bibia ya system automated but near metimi aka ne say more times are ube play no and be increase your chances of winning increase your chances of winning afa so achade no ti say 20,000 now boss is here and there 2 hour week ni nyina
oh okay
nti obi abenya ne chefa wo week ni mu nyina nti amfa ne say some passports e bia ye say and ye chenkro for 5 ye ma obi a 250 cedis
oh okay
nti ende some passports ye be che bia nkro for 5 250 cedis e bia nopa adiachi
bia
aha eno nso che e bia nkro for miensa 250 cedis ye be che nti ansa na week ni beba na wie ye ni ache sa 20,000 ama atiefo no bia enya ne chefa wo
oh wow ti da we na ye twa tum
ene sisi
lezi adam sisi abotu ma adam
sisi so obi ti
mami code ni bi na ye nye we na
obi ti sisi
ti oba mami code ni bi
me facho MTN enko dia star MTN yes star 256
star 256
star 3 hash star 256 star 3 hash.
Me send there. Se utie yesisi ya o send there. Na se Kumasi dia na oka ho na utie o Kumasi nko ade a.
Aha.
Anti wono be select Kumasi 1.
Kumasi me mpe ba bia Kumasi. Ekọ.
Aha.
Gidi masa ba ma me kwa ma no so na me ni nkomo wemra na me nsan ne oni me nsan ma me to aso ne pimpe fe ne aboama orwani chemo enele National Lottery Authority on e pimpa no so edoma no obo ejuma na me ni nkomo akra be agudie mu sei na e ba ya na nimizo mo ana hweso ne ade a Mr. Aboama na ompo moko de
na adom na mpa bo ye ho ye pa won kan ha
yera twera mponya nkopo ase na yenimze ba ma so yesi ana mpimpi no yo agudie bebredi no Ghana e fasika semu ni ade na ni nyina nso no mo ana ehye monsa na mo bo modern edi hudwuma boama na ma deda din pa na Sompa sika promotion aba baze na yesi no oze ba ma so na mo confirm ma is agro na ye di no niam bi ededa na kwama e qualify mo bibia e so di ni huram no e ba be ye adwuma ni bi no toto ya de na kwama enely monsa wo mu bi
okay all right me da se bebre me tia wa hwefo na me de nja sonko so fi humanity Mr. Samuel Okone and the entire management of enely e ma hwefo na se ni o kan sa ba penalty akratuo si aye o Ghana man mu se koso a mpanyifo ebeje tumi krata free ho ni ahwese de ekoso na no e wo mpan e se ni won kan mo passport ego apaso eko line NLA free the character lottery platform ana as a science is mofa akratono and tuga and regulators any agiatu
di pere na wo kan na jeze nei mo confirm ya jere atu no kwan da mu zo bibia wanyi mfie no dun wo twede kwa animu no agudie no so bibia deda na kwam no woni sika no obedi a akire din asem bi eni o
tacho debi bibia nchese e wo boni be certain and conditions rules e kan ho say even prices are na chede a omomdom bedo makatu ibe wini no yina ye wo evidence we need to say evidence say bibia o say moye mode obi di bibia be mani bia
some passport
ya jatu nti omomdom bedo makatu no munya arehwem say enye obi say enye 419 na enye fakadam sendia ya jatu
ade Mr. Aboama merasi confirmation we are na me pay fee waso yeze obomode na odi awram di amamti National Lottery Authority ye beda masini juma pa Mudi de Boagana and Dia Sepa nombre.
Okay, but that's the super brave.
Tia no ye Mr. Boamado and each National Luchi Authority or Maswaya. Ye did in common or video man or Sieko. Normal confirm the Mentino editor Meza. Zera ne did the home commoner. Any large tum. Ye the stamp on Abo Society. Uja Chason Quavi. Then I'm a Kayana or Kucha ye. You can go just to do Chabi Diana. Dear also, you did some mommy when you did. There's a beer to Mobia to make cocoa. More
256 star 3 hash. Star 256 star 3 hash.
Ti aye say no. Okwa sisi Sompa Kumasi.
Baby
na omo dia tum ho ne sa. Di draw no
ene ankasa nko ade. Ene ye bia miensa ni nyina.
Onano bia miensa.
Kumasi Sunyane ene Nkransa. Nanso se de afidie ne sitie ni ntino. Baby a wutie free no. A whole number now be selected. Nti se wutie Mrs. Anasa wo hwe me free Kumasi a wo be select 1. Se wutie Anasa wo hwe free Sunyane a wo be select 2. Anasa wo Nkranza na wutie na wo hwa and so be select 3. And nti no ya system no in such a way that omo mutie Kumasi no ebe omo be win no separately. Ana Sunyane for no so almost the different.
Oh wow.
Enti enyesi account mu nyina amabo.
Oh the account there
bi.
Ye yi Sunyane ye Kumasi.
Enti sika ye che no. Kumasi fo be nyomo de.
Oh okay.
Sunyane fo be nyomo de. Ana Nkranza fo be nyomo de. Na de ma eye ni je ne se di sika no se unya sika na so we ne na abegu phone so. Enti sanke ti hei sankobia di wo Nkranza enya afi na obefa ka abaha
udura obaye den
ogoja o live la dia wo ye
wedru babia omo ka say welcome to Sompa Kumasi enter the number of tickets no say opese oye otwa ticket ba kwa obemia 1
wo de 3 me pa 3
enti eno no sa no me mia ma oye 3 no me send ya ome send o prompt mobile money be send o prompt say mbo wa pin ehim
okay
na jitum say wa na wutwa ticket
okay
nti no ba na wabo omomo pin na him
na afia
na afia atil sika na ezetil no nti afia ye draw ni wi na so weni a automatically
na weni asa me weni am kasa me weni
eno de system na epic nti no minti min sha obo
oh la
ujidie ajo nkwa
then no ye chase kan ahin
eneno wo hwe sika dodo na egu ho na ye pese de ma enenko na keka ko be 5,000 cedis.
Oh wow.
Yes, and they are
5,000 cedis. Okay. Ti mon sansi we no so mame na ye hunti draw no so ye be twi ne time.
Ye twi bibia mo bia hu.
Sisia no ye be draw winners no for some passports.
Oh okay.
Nti ye be draw enko for 4. Omo abo some passports. No so
Tesi ebi ma baso.
If it is time some announce LPMs na nkofo chicha.
We no. Ti e be ye draw no wa.
Tifiti hona be si ende. Nti ende afiansa wate enka onye too late. Star 256 star 3 hash.
Star 256
star 3 hash.
Na room. Mati, you mess up mama na me de maso so. Na ye hu say draw no e be wait no. Star 256 star 3 hash star 256 star 3 hash na room na wabo modern na wetwa dia je betwi draw no na ye hu win na no se de ka no win ya pe na se de men sanso chemu no enkonko ezo usunya na waya ye do ba be fra Kumasi for no Nkranza waya ye do be fra Kumasi for no na mum no edidama na ye ya na aboa na ne man so ne timi da Mizadu akwaba
boss majoso
me ze ne memre na ye mayi kaka me mamu sima ba ko bi na me san ko mo so ne wi ne mpije mu
baako na de baako atachiri na ye
antu de yanko yani
anopa de boko me ma hu se wa so aye shipa de di kan ye de aseda ma otwe di ampon nansa na no eye nana gundis o so komampon on ye nkonwa so ahene anopa yi man ye wishing happy birthday.
Oh okay.
Na ye ko sehwi asanyu so na skasidu ono so na ye sehwi asanyu so kogina
Sompa Sports.
So ye ko supporter pa obomodin yi a won so no oboyen pa anopa echia na skasidu
first win aba
nyamiadum first win aba enti de catch supporters and say me say nkomo ayedi ne nse ba catch wo mu no communicators no mutie pa enti de asada kese ma wona no aye pon match no match ni yetumu se ne emu odin maye na ye pon ye no nana IMC chairman nana kwasi Apinkrawia oni dasubra na say IMC no coachia team no e dressing room omo bo ma baso tsade futuo ni nsempa de mamu tinana catch them say na IMC ni catch them say omo winning bonus na ka 7,000 but 700 enso so no modi mo na mo bo no nura no omo atum de 1,000 no kasa wie ya se apeno na national chairman Dr. Christopher Demenya onso ne nana kwame ni NCC for no panyi bi so ekoho na omusoso no any team no kasa bo ma baso into omu wie ya advance the ball papa bi na kan bro for advance the ball ehwa Christopher Bonata so 5,000 wow na we yidi ma team no ehwa she o benya ene o msanti captain any teams nyina technical omu nyina da NCC any supporters wo wi ase nyina asese modem a omaye no omani aso ne senti no Christopher sade tato se mo man nso ha na Christopher de empe bebrebe no se bo match kwa ye luzo ye de okodesi mo e wo de wo ye na on na ye on pese woka we me for so no nam se wo ye dan ameka ene se ye kan because nipa de wo ye ade a osaye enu ntinu ye bona baso e bona nanu so abaso se mato ayi no ye nyame yaduma kotoko match next match ye ne aduana se obeka ya aduana ye hye wo mu okuma se last season yentimi winning match bia
is aduna ochena say no menyaw uze me no de e wo so menyaw ochena na edisa match no nkomo tina no de omo share aduana last mo
ene meti wase because
mre ni
nyame yaduma
to ochena enu
ye winning match
a woja unim
da bi sa ko do ye fanasi
oba na ma bi na fi mi no wadisa
me
ogoja wa kra so na me ko sa mo ni ntwi do
answer na me kasa ji sa me sore
Awade
and radio players na iron I will say bo ma baso because omo yade na say nya ya na ebeka so omo mo me hono so na me aro na say nkunimdi na ba for the first time I will say me gina na me bo ma baso na me da I miss no say ne me nua penidi kan ka say omo abeche o musika no ene chama de menya nya me nchi o mu pi ba bi o mu yisika ni furi bia ne yakobo nchi o mu anamu na subsequent matches na aka no omo mra omo masika ni mu nyedu mo say na be players no betimi ade I show mu nkran na so obekaya ogum so record bi the first time no about be league no
ogoja transfer why na me
the first away now the first match we win here na ya Accra
against Dreams FC
thank you the first match we win and so na ya Accra with the second time the first match we win and so ya Accra it means me the enam na kwa mu papa omuso traditions what goes on ye gboko na nyame ya doma Friday na aduana no sa record we a wa kan e ba hwehwem na ye ma science biem asi say ya show mo a yentimi we ne match biem na asi Friday ye no 6 pm e baba yara sports stadium supporters ne mra e normal price na ye ntu mu dada na 10 20 30 50
Matthew Ogoja ora ochena ye be kan wa asem wa ye be ba anza chena oze mo ba na ye di match no nkomo wa ti ma me go meza we ne yan sha se enye ne emre na yenye na ye mpege mu ni ade a ti me hwe na ma ye ya na ye ti bibi ade dan Ricardo minim se bibi bia na enye yi ni ade nti ma mi jam ma na yuri dere bibi a ye wi
me pacho bibi a ye okay nti ye be draw winners no so passports Kumasi nti numbers na rolling
Let's know. On say social screen is on say draw button no. A draw number.
It's winner nini.
First winner nini.
Number 0543366. Last three numbers ne there. Wow ni dada. Nti by now no. Sikano. Ye kasa se say by now nipa no sikano.
Nesaka.
Ma say me a.
Si aye say nipa na nya ni sika.
Nesaka dada. Nti e betimi a friend na confirm me. Say nesaka sikana.
Nya me a we nya me number na.
Wow.
Madam mo say di
simple say ya di awie draw.
Mo awie.
Yes I another way one winner nti another one.
Sir. Also. When I know also. Hey, my men kwe na men confirm me fe fioma. Aban you bo mo ko there.
Hello.
Oba na ma para mo bo mo ko there.
Ya me adumo na nso e.
Mezo me wo ye pa na o kazavi.
Techiman.
Echiman.
Aye.
Na do chu draw ne de fa kuma.
I want to tell you.
Okay, now on sa can we no.
I knew. 250 today.
Wow. Na just say juma die ne ye chance ye ni we na follow ni nyina no. Anopa wie a wabɔ mɔden nya 250 na utwa take it do do zen.
No.
Hey. As a 10 Ghana cedi dia beji 250 Ghana cedis.
I knew.
Wow. Do that Koswana share some part TV na tie some prayer from me on share pa bibiri de mama why?
Yo, madam.
Enti mommy anko na the second you know. Draw no for front sambra na yenko na ntuto ma na enye ya be o memre ne ade na yenye we na yenko yenim na mboa na bibibia ande da dinti yehwe na fi the second draw na to so ti first no waba be confirm Okocha nyanto boase entutum ni ade a di yehwe ze be we na etutuma na
enti your second winner and yenya no enti our number started with 0241 386 onim onama miensana eka ho na by now ye ka say said ye free rano di kind ono so nensa kan message a che say ono so edit 250 Ghana cedis.
Wow, ti we so nensa kan message no. Wow.
Sister no ya share in such a way that to mu say na sikana ba phone so
edem ti mere na mabo modern na me
say your third winner so no ye ba be ko no enti producers no producers in betimi afre
timenko okay hello oko me etu ma pe ma o ze third winner so aba
ye tiefo na say ohwefo a ohwe you know ono so by now and sa aka message I think say enya
mama ko na me ne second winner no eni nkomo baba jo dia ni baby afrefi hello la ka me na ma confirm second na yini ne adia di kado he na etutuma na ayewi eni ya na ayi ugina so ti me hwe na ya hwe na etimi awram na aye ya ti okay ti hwe na connect ni enko na menene nto aso na yenye we ni na bibia ye we nti connect na ye hwe ne nti we ni Sompa sika promotion se de bia ba be transfer program no se be ye ti code no fato *256 *3#. Ma menene nto aso be ba jo di ni baby afrefi
Me den de Esther makasa fruit techimai.
Baby girls na what techima na de no mu ni ntwipa na Esther za on sa kan wa alert na ba
Ai abo
Ocha do dozen.
It's 2.
Wow. Na 2 dia ate wa confirm dikado we na third one e me national news for number na yenye ne enko anim na enye we ya.
It is a Sompa sika promotion we a TV news is your ase na ya true bi say ye gi adwa. And the crown I am masika na enche no. Because nipa no o twa no or hope bi say obediska enti nya afi na babe no faka ebra studio ansa na babe jusika enti baby a oti bia no as far as system na pick na sika no eba ofun so ebedru mre bi nipa na sika na betimi akonanim ebi betimi awone 500 Ghana cedis na ekonanim achede bebre so egugu akwama ye eba enti no amanfo egusu twa no mu nim se daachi bi no ene mapa ebi efrim nso ebeba
mama kona me fa de otoso mi ensa na me ba jo di ni baby afrefi
hello
yes sir hello sir me ba jo temenka oko meze networking on the way meza ora mu ntwi fofo na yemre na so na yeto
enti technical guys no
kona yemfa na yehwe na enye we ya ko yemre na yempije mu ne yanko pije mu ne yanko ogoja le zo bo pa ya la we de bo pa ya la we de obompa
0240 567 na numbers na toa so no so ɛwɔ hɔ nti numbers miɛnsa na toa so no wa woni mo number sɛ we na ɛhyɛ aseɛ no na wonim deɛ toa so a wonya message no also alert aba by now
mɛsa ne mo hyia why na yɛakɔ so adi yɛmmerɛ no so ɛtumi mpagye mu ni
na yɛka amanfoɔ sɛ ɛyɛ Sompa sika promotion ɛyɛ star 256 star 3 hash baabi a wo selected 2 and after in Kranza so obe selected 3
Mate madam asipa di you any means ever say share why
yes yeah that's
let the do na was a cray he na e trench dey ho jimbi na we ya dia ya de obe jibiti ya ba producer at all for no ba di da bia be cheska ayeda mo nyina ase